I feel so down I can barely even bring myself to follow the arrow that's pointing towards the smoothie bar.
Oh, hi everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, let's go. Excited. Bystanders is excited. Who else is excited? It's a Sunday. It's a fucking Sunday. And I'm live on Twitch. It's chaos and I've got no work until Tuesday. But hi everyone. Welcome in. Hello, hello, hello. I want to see spam and those emotes. I want to see people get hyped. It's a stream. For how long, I don't know, because it's so warm, it's 28 Celsius, it's horrible. But, we'll, yeah. Root for the chaos or root for the heat? Hey, let's go, Kitty, with a 5-string streak. Let's go. Agnes, I wish I didn't make it that hot. I'd rather be cold. But welcome, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, you lovely lot. Welcome to the noises. Glitch, hopefully. Well, I'm going to show off the video that I submitted to let you know. Some of you have already seen it, but I will share off the video in today's stream. Oh, that's no more stream chat. Bye. Oh, we're back. Hi. Oh. How about I don't just stop the music like that? Bit more. Let's make it more abrupt. No, wrong song. Wrong song. This song. Thank you. Money. Right size, let's go.
Right size just subscribed at tier 3. 2 years and 2 months of pure unadulterated chaos. Thank you.
No, thank you. Thank you very much. 2 years, 2 months. Let's fucking go. Everyone, welcome in. It is Sunday. It's not Saturday. It's not Monday. Monday's tomorrow. Marble's tomorrow, by the way. But today is Sunday, and I'm live on a Sunday. This is very peculiar, but we're here. That's it. That's it. Hi, we're here. That's it. How's everyone doing? Hope you're doing well. Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. But yeah, I was working late yesterday because it's Olympics, and Friday, and Thursday, and Wednesday, and Tuesday, and Monday, and the last 2 weeks. But it's the last day today. It's now done. Well, till Paralympics, although there's a closing ceremony today. By the way, I will warn you, chat. If we finds out that Daft Punk are playing at the closing ceremony, we will watch it on stream. I don't care what we're doing. We will watch it on stream, and I will gladly put up with the copyright. There's a very, very small rumor. It's not going to happen, but you know, you never know. But anyway, hi everyone. Hi, hope you're doing well. But yeah, today's Sunday. That's it. Really, I worked late yesterday, so I couldn't stream, and I thought, you know what? I finished at 6 today. Why not go do a stream? And that's what we're doing. And because I don't like to think too much, in fact, I don't ever like to think, I wanted to play some Chaos. So we're going to do some GTA Chaos mod later on. It's very warm. It's very warm. It's like 28 Celsius, which you don't know what that is. That is whatever I just clicked. That's not right. That is, oh my God, fucking fingers. 82 Fahrenheit at 7 p.m. with no aircon. It's, I'm slightly feeling it right now. But anyway, hi everyone. Hope you're doing well. Happy Sunday. How was your Sunday been? How's your weekend been? What have you been up to? Anything fun happening this week coming up? Yeah, fortunately, this is where I mainly stay in, so I can't really go anywhere. I can go outside, but no, I'm good. I'm good. The sun's scary. But yeah, and I think it's going to be hotter tomorrow. Let's do my old classic weather check, as I always do on the stream. Oh no, it's going to be 1 degree less. Awesome. That feels so much better. Why is it 22 Celsius at 7 a.m.? Why is it 21 Celsius at night? That's not good. That's not good. I won't sleep tonight. I haven't slept all week, basically. It's 21 Celsius overnight. What is that, Grumpy?
Old Grumpy German gifted a tier 1 subscription to I Can Feel It Coming in the Air.
Can you? What can you feel there, Grumpy? Anyway, I can feel it coming in the air. All right, enjoy your gift of sub. Grumpy, thanks for the gift sub. Also, boss, I was going to think for 26 months. A tier heckin' free. But anyway, I'm going to catch up with chat. Also goes close to a hype train. Hey, chat, do you want to help me pay my bills? Support me by subbing them bits. Also, Z, Kim, Wide. I don't know what it is. My activity feed only shows 4. I don't know why.
No, not him again.
So I have to go to the other Twitch. So Glitch, Wide, Kim, Barsos, and Z. One of the cool kids. Congratulations. Well done. Well done, everybody. Very proud of you all. And then we got a Pingu. Welcome in, Pingu. We've got Warwick. We've got Waffle Wit. We've got Coffee. Streambot. Welcome in. We have a Wide Ride. Also, if you want to scare me through, I think Stream Elements, it does sound twice. I don't know why, but I'm not fixing it.
Oh,
Nimki, welcome in.
It's a duck.
Never mind. Fucking never mind.
Quack, quack.
Whatever.
I'm a duck.
Whatever. It's fine.
I spank myself. 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 I spank myself.
How did I spank myself? Hey, Barsos, thank you for the 100 bits. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, also, I fixed Sam. Look, Sam is now top of coffee. Look, Sam's now top of coffee. Look, Sam's now on top of coffee. Also, I fixed a duck. I fixed it. Oh, you have to do duck, but I fixed the duck. Doesn't come with the text anymore, so it's all good. So, excellent. It looks like I've just punched myself. It looks like I've just punched myself.
I think. I'm not really sure how I think. I don't know. Anyway. Hi everyone. Happy Sunday. Hope you're doing well. Welcome everybody. I'm going to catch up with chat. We're close to a hype train. So if you want to help us out, appreciate it. If it helps, you know
what? Fuck it. You know what? If we hit level 5, hype train, I will wear the waffle cosplay without a shirt on. Because it does. I think it covers my body. And it's very warm. Bad, thank you for the 100 bits. My face is broken. Give me a second. We're back. Hi, thank you for the hype train. Appreciate it. Where did my tissue go? Is that a tissue? That's a tissue. Sure. Is that a tissue? It's fine. Hey, Hype Train, let's go. Anyway, but yeah, level 5, fuck it. Because I'm like, if I wore the waffle at level 5 with the shit t-shirt on,
look,
I'd be very warm.
It's a duck. Quack,
Okay,
quack.
never mind.
I'm a
Hello.
duck.
So fuck it. If we hit level 5, I will wear the waffle without a shirt on. So it'd just be my bare arms and the waffle. Anyway, I'm gonna catch up a chat. The Hype Train going on. Do your worst. Why do I I'm confused myself. Hi, Jamiroquai. Why do I welcome in Pingu, welcome in Nimki, welcome in Pingu. Had to refresh because stream didn't want to start, so I knew I had no chance. Just quick bunch of beans. Very good. Also, I did announce, look, new color. New color. Does it work with the green screen? The green screen. Yes, it does. Look, new color, chat. Multicolored. But yeah, I did green. I did green because I wanted to do green. Also, I know this is happening. Don't worry about it. I will be getting cut at some point. But Sassy, welcome in. Yeah, people are far too quick with kids. It's fine. That's a sentence. Bite Size, welcome in. Glitch, welcome in. Welcome. Nimkin, welcome in. Gallon, welcome in. Bite Bitten, welcome in. Glitch. Hello. Thank you for doing cool kids for everyone else. Glitch, hi work, hi chat. Hope everyone's doing well. I'm ready for chaos. I think I'm ready for chaos. I'm very ready for chaos. I fucking need the chaos today. My goodness me. I've been working 6 days in a row. God, I think I feel it. It's fine. Bite Size, welcome in. Wifey, welcome in. Welcome Nimki, welcome in. Bite Size, sorry. Wifey, thank you for the 5 stream streak. Ems, welcome in. Ems, how's your weekend been going? Hey, chat, for no reason, send some love to Ems. Just do it. Wifey, welcome in. Glitch, welcome in. Fanged, welcome in. Ems, welcome. I'm just saying your name 5 times now. Who else are we saying hi to? Thanks for the chat, lovers. I appreciate it. Who else we got here? We got Sassy, welcome in. Hello. Stream Loots, welcome in. Hello, Stream Loots. You want to do anything with Stream Loots? It helps support me and I get money from it, which is fun. Fanged, welcome in. Bite Size. Kitty with the 5 stream streak. Or was it Wifey? Oh no, it's Kitty. I'm getting confused. Hi, Wifey. Sorry. Kitty with the 5 stream streak. Welcome in. Agnes, you're the one who makes it hot here. I wish I didn't. It's too warm. It's too warm. But welcome in. Fox, welcome in. Fox, welcome. Boss Size again. Thank you for the 26 heckin' months. That's got a damn long time. Sassy, not the best weather today. Very exhausting. Everything takes double effort. Tell me about it. Today was a long day. It was fine overall, although photographers didn't know where they were to go and trying to be an issue, but that's fine. Thank you for the bits. Appreciate it. Welcome in. Wifey, welcome in. Kitty, welcome. Buzz Size, welcome in. Streamloots, welcome in. Starfish, the little starfish, welcome in. It's good to see how you doing. Fanged, I no longer have 2 a.m. starts. I'm back to regular 4 p.m. starts. So I'm happy. 4 a.m. starts. Hey, let's go. All-nighter, Fang. Let's go. Glitch, welcome in. Thank you for the bits, everybody. Glitch, of course, you become a V onion rather than a V tato, which is by the understanding that potatoes are top of tuber. They very much are. But yeah, I'm going to show my video that I did for my audition. I think I'll find out on Tuesday, so it's not too far. Is this Warwick manifesting or their rumors? Rumors of what, Ems? Glitch. Oh, blast and damnation. I should have posted the V. V onion. No, you're fine. Wifey, thank you for the 200 bits. Appreciate it. We're close to 1 minute before the Hot Train ends, chat. Midoriel, welcome in. Hi. I will lurk while doing the dishes, etc. for a little while. Enjoy. Midoriel, enjoy your lurks. Perhaps both. Exactly. Kitty, that's hot. How is it in my tiny office? Icky. Yeah, it's horrible. I don't like it. Not a fan. Wish I had enough sleep for my night shift. I have no. You have night shifts, Wifey? Oh, God, what time does that start? Agnes, 1 whole degree less. I know, right? I'm fucking blessed. I'm blessed. Fox, who makes these accounts? I have no idea. I think there's one for everyone. Sassy made the trek into Starbucks today. Excited to try. Ooh. No. Oh, no. Sassy. Just because it's not on the menu, they still have it. It's like a core item. Hey, Bite Size, thank you for the gifted sub. And wait for another 100 bits. Chat,
up to the
10 seconds, the Hype Train ends. 10 seconds before the Hype Train ends. But no, a lot of the items aren't on the menu because there's only so much space. Chai is a core item, so you can still ask for it. It's a core item, like a core memory. But hopefully you get to check it out soon. Oh, did it work? Hey, let's go. Owen's welcome in. Thank you for the 100 bits. Bite Size for the 100 bits. Did we just hit it?
Jonk.
Hey, let's go. Level 1 complete, chat. We're now level 2. Remember, level 5, Naked Waffle Wick. I'm not joking because it's so warm. Size up. That's tomorrow.
Size up.
That's tomorrow. Volleyball and table tennis are two nerve-wracking sports, although Sweden in BB had it easy in one after 2 sets. Oh, nice. I can't believe it's all over. Well, the main Olympics, I can't believe it's all over. Like, what the hell's happened? It's like 2 weeks you just flown by. Not really. You like spanking? Not really. But Z, welcome in. Grumpy, welcome in. Agnes, welcome in. Kitty, welcome in. Grumpy. Starfish, my weekend has been great so far. I got my first zucchini from the garden today. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Middle, I thought you were lurking. Or are you back already? That might be delayed in chat. Let's go, Hype Train. By size, Warwick is just trying to wear as little as possible for this stream. Very much so. Without actually showing off any of my body. Hello, Jen. Welcome in. Good morning. And Starfish with the gifted stuff from Nimki Wabbit.
Nimki Wabbit gifted a tier 1 subscription to Lil Starfish 2.
Starfish 2. Enjoy your gifted stuff from Nimki. Thank you for the bits, everybody.
Comfortable WW is more important than smashy chaos.
I mean, smashy's tomorrow. But tomorrow's fine because tomorrow's one less degree than today. So that's, all the difference. The colour's so good. Thank you. Just say hi, Milk. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Glitch, I can't imagine the waffle breaths well though. Waffle breathes well. Not really, but there's openings on the side. It's like a sandwich board. It works like a sandwich board. So there is like air this way and stuff. By size, super cute. I love the colour. Thank you. I've had this colour for a while. Is that Revlon's Posh? I don't know. I will find out for you on break. I can't remember. I've had this for a while, but I just can't remember getting it. Because it's like the colour of the heart colour. So it's like the same sort of colour, a little bit. Yeah, it's like close as I was like, oh, I get it, and also like hair as well. I like blue apparently. Chat, did you know that? Glitch, work! I swear you should also look into Sally Hansen Pacific Blue. It was a nice electric blue. I think you said that before. I need to. I do need to. I think you said it before, and I may have written it down. Oh, that's a good colour. I think we have Sally. No, we don't. It's on eBay, so no, we don't. But I can get it on Amazon, though. That's not bad. Good to know. I'm here for the whales. Panda, isn't everyone? You're gonna go into where you go, Milk. Go into Wham 5. Whams? Is that a shop? Whams. Lambs? You're on the lamb. Milk is on the lamb. No. You go into Wales. Are you going to Wales? Almonds. I'm more at fresh ideas. I have no idea. We'll find out when Milk comes back. But Nick and Neil, welcome in. Daft Punk appearance. If they fucking appear, they won't, because they've not even appeared for a Tron, and I know Disney would have offered them a lot of money. But I swear, if they fucking turn up, I swear. I don't think they would. They've got enough money. They don't really need that shit. And also, Daft Punk has been played at the Olympics, and also Kavinsky, a lot of Kavinsky as well. But I'm just going to keep an eye on things. No talk yet. Hey, what's this about? Oh, Phoenix are there. The French band Phoenix. Technically, not really, but technically Phoenix are associated with Daft Punk. Hey, random French music lore. Daft Punk used to be in a punk band called Darlin. Darlin apostrophe. So we're at the G. Darlin apostrophe. And they were a free band group. So you had Thomas, Guy, and he had a guy which I never know his name from something else. So anyway, they broke up because it wasn't working. Daft Punk, Thomas and Guy became Daft Punk. And the third guy went to form the band Phoenix, which is a French band. And they are playing there. So technically that's like the connection there. I don't know. Anyway, random lore. There you go. I'm sure you all wanted to know that today, didn't you? Thank you for the hype train, everybody. Appreciate it very much. I collect all level 1 emotes. Well, screw you. Screw you, chat. Screw you, Twitch. Not chat. Thank you for all the bits and subs, everyone. Appreciate it. Welcome in. Welcome. Hello, fan. Welcome in. Sassy. Oh, now I feel silly. I'll ask next time I go in. No, you don't. No. That's the thing with Starbucks. You think, oh, it's not in the menu. It won't be there. There's so many drinks that they got. They can only put, and they mainly just promote the new stuff. But chai's a core drink. It's one that you should always have. They do always run out of it, so they might run out of it, but they do have. But next time, check it out. It's good. Fan, hey there, hi there, Warwick and chat. Hello, how are you doing, fan? How you doing? Wifey, I started 10 p.m. finish at 8 a.m. That's a long shift. Or was it meant to be on night last night? So I was awake yesterday from 11 a.m. to about 11 to 12. Oh, that sucks. That sucks when it messes up your sleep and stuff. Oh, well, I hope you. When's your? Do you have like? Is it like shifts? Or like if you do like 4 nights and then 4 days off, and then 4 nights or something like that? Because I know it all takes you a while to sort of get used to doing nights and stuff. But I always love that you're doing the reverse heart, so it looks very fun. Sassy also took a self-care day and cancelled my D&D session on Friday. Really need a night to focus on my own health. Hey, good for you. How you feel? How do you feel after that? How do you feel about that? Fagged, I think I saw Demon Slayer music playing at the Olympics. I'm pretty sure they played with quite a lot of music as well, yeah. Yeah, a lot of anime songs nowadays during the Olympics, especially when Japan could be. Oh, I loved it, yeah. I heard that Nine Inch Nails is doing the new Tron soundtrack. Might just be a rumour though. No, it's confirmed. It's definitely confirmed, Glitch. Not sure how I feel about that. Quietly reserve and judgment because not sure electronic music will flow as well as the vibe. Now, the thing is with Nine Inch Nails. Hi, Brie, welcome in. So with Nine Inch Nails, Nine Inch Nails has been confirmed, because Disney did their D23, been confirmed to maybe doing the soundtrack for the new Tron movie. I was not excited for the new Tron movie. I loved the music from Tron Legacy because it was Daft Punk and it's a very, very good music album. It's a very good movie. It's pretty good. It's all right. It's the first time from the guy who did other movies. You know, the guy who did other movies. Oh, God, what's he done? He's done quite... I think did he do Top Gun? I think he did Top Gun. Is his name Robert or something? Joseph. Close enough. Yeah, so Joseph... Kosinski, I think Tron Legacy was like one of his first movies he did, so he was like still honing his skills. But he did Oblivion. He's doing the new F1 movie, and he did Top Gun Maverick. So apparently, you know, he's very good and stuff. And the movie was pretty good. Like it was serviceable, but the music was fantastic. Anyway, they're doing a new Tron called Tron Aegis or something, and the lead is Jared Leto. And I was like, oh. Like, Leto's a competent actor. I'm not a fan of his, personally. Maybe because his Joker was abysmal. That's my personal taste. If you like it, all the power to you. I did not like it. Anyway, so he got attached to it, and I was like, oh, really? Okay, I'm not that bothered about it, whatever. And then, obviously, they've announced Nine Inch Nails. I was like, oh, well, that's now the most wanted movie next year. The thing is with Nine Inch Nails, like, there's two things with this. Two things. So... Hey, lore with Nine Inch Nails for a second. So Nine Inch Nails has always been Trent Reznor. So Trent Reznor is the main lead singer. And when he started, it is just him. All the instruments that he you hear on albums is basically him. He is Nine Inch Nails. It's Trent Reznor is Nine Inch Nails. When he tours, he also has a band with him, and he's had most people with him for quite a while nowadays, but it's like chopping chains. But Nine Inch Nails is Trent Reznor. Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross, not Finch, that's a completely different person. Atticus Ross, I think. They joined up about 10 years ago or something, and they've done soundtracks together. And what the interesting thing about this whole news is, actually, I'll show you the video. Nine Inch Nails. All right. Okay, there's a bit of flashing lights in that one. I'm not a fan of that. Okay, cool. Is there a video? Yes, there is. Okay, cool. Okay, it's a video. There's a video, chat. Also, we'll catch up in chat a sec. Boop. There we go. Anyway, so this was at D23. Sound. Never mind, flashing lights everywhere. Sorry about that. Anyway, so now it's and okay, if you know Nine Inch Nails or you know your Trent Reznor's and soundtracks, you will notice a big difference with this compared to other things. And the thing is, when Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross has done music for movies, and they've done a lot. Like, I will go through their movies what they've done. You go, shit, they did that? They did the Pixar movie, the jazz one. What's it called? Soul. Not that one. Hi, Martin. You know the movie Soul? Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross did the music for that. And they obviously brought other people in to do other music and stuff. But let's go to his IMDb. Also, he's a very handsome man, by the way. Right, doobie-doobie-doobie-doo. Okay, soundtracks. You've done a lot of soundtracks, haven't you? Okay. Wow, that's a lot of soundtracks. Shitting out. Okay, cool. Right, okay. Force Dark Maid, thank you. Was Social Network the first one? I think it was. Yeah, it was the first one. Okay, cool. All right. Anyway, here we go. Right. So, Social Network was the first one they did. Atticus Ross and Trent Reznor. Gail Drakendar 2. Apparently Call of Duty Black Ops 2. He's theme composer. Didn't know about that. These are random things. Gone Girl. Vision of Harmony. No idea about that one. Before the Flood. Patriots Day. The Black. I don't know what that says. Composer. No idea. In Time. Vietnam War. Mid-90s. Bird Box. He was composed music by Bird Box. Also, one of the Nine Inch Nails songs was used by Lil Nas X for Old Town Road. Random fact. Watchmen, Waves, Soul, Mank, Bones and All, Emperor of Light, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutant Mayhem, The Killer, Challenges, which was the tennis one that came out, and apparently also composed some music for The Bear. Did not know about that for 2 episodes. Anyway, he's done a lot of music. But the thing is, chat. Every time, let's go to Social Network. Incredible movie. I know it's about Facebook. Such a good movie. Anyway, we go here. No, how do I do stuff? Fuck you, pro. Fuck you. I just want to look at music. Where does it say music? All cast and crew. If you take me to pro, I swear to God. Fuck off. Right, blah, 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 blah. Oh my God, there's so many people in this movie. Why is there so many people in this movie? Music by Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross. The thing is with Tron Legacy, whatever it's called, the movie, whatever it's called, Aries, is it says music by Nine Inch Nails. Technically, yes, Trent Reznor is Nine Inch Nails, but the fact is that they've used the Nine Inch Nails logo, which makes me think it will be different to anything else they've done. Technically, yes, Trent Reznor is Nine Inch Nails. Also, Atticus Ross is technically a now full-time member of Nine Inch Nails, but they've said they want to tour at some point. But this is the interesting thing that's got me really intrigued, is it's not saying music by Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross. It's saying Nine Inch Nails. That might just be just a thing, just they did, but the fact is that every other soundtrack, they have not said Nine Inch Nails. It said Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross, or just Trent Reznor. So the fact is it says Nine Inch Nails is really intriguing. And Glitch, to your question, Nine Inch Nails lately they've gone very much into electronica music. Like there's a song which I'll play for you for a little bit. Trent won't sue me, it's fine. Trent, you won't sue me, will you? No, of course you won't. Of course you know. By the way, if you don't know, Daft Punk, Nine Inch Nails, 2 of my favourite bands of all time. So I'm like, all right. Less Than. So this song is called Less Than by Nine Inch Nails, obviously. And I will give you the link if you want to check it out for yourself. It's on Spotify, but it's there. There we go. Anyway, this is the song. So this is called Less Than. This is by Nine Inch Nails. Came out in 2017. I have not caught the chat for a while, chat, so bear with me. Backs against the world. You know, I love Nine Inch Nails. They're just so much different music. Shut up! Silence. Anyway, so you can like this is Nine Inch Nails. This is Trent. This is Nine Inch Nails, and the fact is that lately through his music, he's brought more electronic stuff to it, and this is probably like a good example of what we could potentially hear. Like, I'll wait till the chorus hits and then we'll stop it because I will probably get copyright strikes. What are you waiting for? You got what you asked for. That's what's wrong with you. Are you less than? Oblivion. What's wrong with you? Are you less than? Anyway, that's that song. So, yes, the heavier stuff is very much heavy. There's very much heavy stuff and stuff. But the fact is that, especially if you listen to like Trent's soundtracks and like the later music that Nine Inch Nails have done, I do think it's a very inspired choice. I'm very intrigued by it, and I do think they do a really good job of it. And the fact is that like Trent and stuff has done music for like soul. And I think they're doing more Disney stuff, and it's just like the talent that they've got is actually incredible. And like I would really highly recommend, sorry, let's go back. Sorry, let's just fuck it. If we played one song, Social Network. Also, you can't listen to Girl Dragon Tattoo soundtrack on Spotify because I don't know why. Because Sony hates us. Like this is.
Bitebitten wants to ask the book, should I go to the office tomorrow with 33 degrees Celsius?
No. So this is called In Motion from the Social Network. This is the link here. You chat, you lost me now. You completely lost me now. Anyway, so I honestly, that soundtrack. But again, what's really interesting is when I listen to that song, like if I look at Spotify right now, let's look at Spotify right now, chat. Why not? Let's look at my Spotify, shall we? Let's judge me, shall we? How do I do stuff? There we go. It says Trent Reznor and Atticus Ross. It doesn't say Nine Inch Nails. So this soundtrack is under Trent Reznor. So the fact is that this potentially is, because again, there's Trent. Thank you for the honk. Why are you honking? Stop trying to add stuff to music. Obviously, there's Trent and Atticus. Terrible picture of Atticus. Don't know why he looks like that. But anyway, it's fine. The fact is that it's all under Trent Reznor, except for the fact is that says Nine Inch Nails. Maybe it's just publicity. Maybe it's just... Oh my God, okay. I love how I say don't stop or stop the bloody... Yeah, okay, I get it. I say don't honk and you start honking. I'm really intrigued and I do think they do a really good job of it. Let's find out, I guess. Anyway, let's go back to that song. So this stream will probably get copyright strike, but it's fine. Don't worry about it, chat. It was nice knowing you all. Anyway, bite bitten. No, absolutely not. Do not do it.
Oh, look. It's a duck.
Hi.
Quack.
New or old book?
I'm a duck.
Anyway, I'm catch your chat. I'm about 15 minutes on the chat. And then, yeah. Gallant is, I'm at 28. I'm on a train connecting with Volvo. Hey, hopefully train's got aircon. It's 28.7 here. I have no aircon. I've got 2 fans. That's right. Woodkid, thank you, Ems. Woodkid did make the Olympic song. And he wasn't there opening, so I'm hoping he's there for the closing, because he didn't make the opening song for it. Unless they fell out, because I know he made it. Well, he made the song from the last Olympics, Tokyo. So I don't know what happened there. Fan, use some of the Daft Punk stuff, but not all of it. Thanks for the tidbits. Love. Oh yeah, no. I got so many, fan. I got so much tidbits. Like again, Daft Punk. The reason why they're called Daft Punk or Daft Punk, because technically it's French, they don't say the T. Whatever, Daft Punk. is the fact is that when they were in this punk band, they did covers and they got reviewed by a magazine in the UK. I can't remember the magazine. I don't think it exists anymore. And the reviewer called it Daft Punk, as in rubbish. So Daft Punk went, fuck it, we'll just take the name and there we go. That's why they're called Daft Punk. I love that fact. It's a great fact. And it's completely true as well. By Bidden, I have my aircon on and turned on at 17 Celsius. 10 minutes later, it's already 20 Celsius. Yeah, that's not fun. Fox, I found a new fixation. I want to try and run a D&D one-shot, so I've been going down rabbit holes for maps and episode. Ooh, Fox, exciting. Wifey, I wish I had 4 days nights off. I did 8 nights in a row last week off for 1 day, then 2 free Oh, no, that's not fun. Then 4 nights off, 1 night meant to do a 3 till 10, but end up doing the night because next week I'm off Monday, Tuesday, and then work. Oh my God, that is not fun. I hope you're resting up. Hope you're doing all right. Don't push yourself or try not to anyway. Hi, Martin, again, welcome in. Fan, that's great. Yeah. Sassy, I feel better for doing it. It's a small step in the right direction for me. Good for you. Excellent. You'll probably still feel guilty. It happens. It's understandable. Martin, can't say I'm going to stay long, but I must slept for 33 hours. Oh, I feel better that I've slept maybe a few hours, but don't blame me, Martin. It's horrible out there. Hopefully you're doing all right, though. Glitch, other Tron fun fact. Wendy Carlos pioneered electronic music. Did a soundtrack for the original. They did. They were also trans, but we never existed before a certain author learned of existence. But yeah, no, they never existed. The music... Actually, Glitch, have you watched that? The Tron, first Tron? There's no music. It didn't exist. Apparently, trans people did not exist before 7 years ago. And same with pronouns. Didn't exist till like 2020. Martin, easier said than done. My brain won't shut down. Oh, that's a shame, Martin. I hope you rest up as much as you can anyway. There's some Nine Inch Nails. Yeah, there's some Nine Inch Nails on Fortnite. I'm like, you know what? I'm all for Trent making bank. Like before, there's a massive like history about the stuff. Like Downward Spiral. Well, you got Head Like a Hole, which is the first album, which is like 1989, I think. Then Downward Spiral was the one that catapulted him to like the mainstream. But he went through like a really, really dark period, Downward Spiral. And then Fragile, which is a beautiful album. It's his journey basically trying to get away from drugs and alcohol and stuff. And then the journey from that and stuff. Like, it's just like the Trent from 20 years ago would never do stuff like this. But I'm like, you know what? He's got kids, he's got a family, he's going to make bank. Sure, you know, why not? And he gets to be paid to make music, you know? Let's fucking go, you know? Fan, brain not wanting to shut down is a problem. My best tip is put the phone down. Lie in bed, read something, whatever it is. Old comics are even good. Just make bed a phone, laptop free zone. That's a good shout. Also, this hint is a fuck off. The office aircon doesn't manage above 30 Celsius. It doesn't manage above 30. That I would. You know what? Buy it. I'm not even going to give you. You know what? I'll give you the book. I'll give you the book back. I'll give you the good book back. But I'm going to say no. I'm going to refund you that, but I'm going to say no, but I will answer it for you. Just see what the book says. New or old book, by the way? You're onto the store. See you soon, Bite Size. New book. Thank you, Bite. Thank you. You made it. Hello, Vampire. Welcome in. How you healing? Hello, darling cat. Good to see you. Meow. Welcome in. Welcome in. Mental health is slowly declining, but need money. I mean, that I fucking feel that. Tell me about it. Oh no, Bite Size is coming back. They're coming back, so we'll do that book. No, Bite Bitter. No, wait. Who went? Which Bite went? Which Bite went to the store? Which Bite went to the store? That's a question, is it? That's like a kids book. It's like, which Bite went to the store? Wait, who went to the store? Bite Size went to the store. Okay, Bite Pitton's here. Patty Mummy have going. Anyway, okay, we're going to answer the book. You know what? I'm going to say stop for me, Bite, if you want to. This is free for you, but I'm going to say no because stop confusing me. Stop having the same names. Buggers. Why can't everyone just be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4? It's like, hi 1, hi 2. Stop. Okay, right. So the answer, which we're not going to pay attention to because I already said no, because anything over 30, it's going to be over 30 tomorrow. Don't do it. Is. That's the wrong button, Roy. What did I press? There we go. Stay the course. No, fuck off. No. Book, fuck off. No, don't stay the course. Or stay the course in a sense that you stay at home. Stay the course. Don't deviate. Stay at home. There we go. Oh, there we go. Good. I'm glad we answered that. Anyway. You feel better? Good. I'm glad. Oh God, that was a big weight off my shoulders. Goodness me. Anyway, hi everyone. So Nine Inch Nails. Very excited about that, and they do a lot of cool music. I'm not a number. I'm a free man. No numbers for everyone. Sassy. Oh, found out there's a now strawberry only Sour Patch Kids. Ooh, interesting. By Bidden, you were selecting under the table. I didn't know you were doing, but stop was the answer. Stop was the answer. Stay the course. Anyway, we're going to do some chaos in shortly. It's very warm. I'm not sure how long I will last today, in all honesty, chat, because I feel like I'm sweating already. Thankfully, my makeup's good, so it conceals it, but it's very warm. And I've got all my hydrations near me, but the ice keeps melting very quickly, which isn't fun. That just tastes like milk now. But I do hope everyone's doing well, mental health considering. I've got stuff to talk about before we go for break. Chat, I have 2 reviews coming out this week. So, fun fact, chat. Fun fact, right? Fun fact. Apparently, when you can't sleep because it's too fucking warm and you're stressed to high heaven about stuff or situation in your real life, apparently you can focus quite well on other things. Who knew? So, we have 2 reviews coming out next week, which I had fucking no idea how I got that. And I got them done in like 3 days. Sounds healthy. Yeah, it's not. It's not. But it helped me. It helped me keep my mind off stuff. So that's great. I'm like, how did I do that? It's not healthy. It's not healthy. It's fine. I've got one for a while anyway. It's fine. If we see Work's face melting, we know enough. I mean, it's already feels. I mean, the beard's hiding half my chin anyway. But yeah, we have 2 reviews coming out next week. In fact, one tomorrow and one on Wednesday, which is quite fun. Thank you, Sassy. Appreciate it. Like I said, I know because I spoke about it last week before, like I'm dealing with a lot of stuff. I still am. But it is quite funny how the mind works sometimes when you're like, oh, I can't sleep because it's too warm. I can't really do anything else because I don't want to focus on that. I know I'll somehow be hyper-fixated on making reviews. And I got them done in like 3 days. Like, while working as well. I've worked every day for the last week. So I'm not really sure how I've done that. I may crash tomorrow or the next day. But it's fine. That's tomorrow. That's not today. It's fine. I will probably go to bed straight after stream today. I normally stay up a little bit, but I'm like, you know what? I'll probably just go straight to bed. But yeah, we got 2 reviews coming out. So tomorrow I've got a review coming out. I've already done my events. I haven't done the schedule yet. But tomorrow is a game called Just Crow Things, which looks very cute. I will show you the video because apparently I'm all about videos today. Just Crow Things. Excuse me. Right, hopefully it doesn't blow up as it is. So it comes out, I think, Wednesday. But I did a review of it. It's very fun. No spoilers, obviously, but it's very fun. So I did that. So that's coming out tomorrow at 4 p.m. And I can't technically say I can't say too much, but check out my review tomorrow on YouTube. I can't technically say anything officially, even though technically I've said it in Discord already. But I'm not saying it myself. So I'm just going to play a random video I'm just going to play a random video, right? I'm going to play a random video, all right? I'm not going to say anything else, but this may or may not be connected to a video that comes out on Wednesday, all right? I'm really skating the fucking embargoes, but anyway. Again, I just happened to play this random video. It doesn't mean anything or anything, but this may or may not be connected to a video that comes out on Wednesday. Oh yeah, I forget this video is very loud. There we go. We're just watching the we're just watching the video. We are just watching the video. We're just watching the game trailer. You know, we're just talking about games.
Say, buddy, you mentioned something about research for a story. Frank West.
Remember that name?
Exactly, just a casual video. It's a casual video. Just a casual video, chat. Just a casual video.
What? Did you just say zombies?
Take a look out there. Those ain't zombies. What would you call them?
Just a standard game trailer. Why is there flashing lights everywhere? I hate it. I hate it.
Quick, move! Get over here!
Just a random video about zombies. Anyway, Dead Rising Deluxe Remaster is a remaster of the original game that came out like 19 years ago or something. It's very fun. The old ones are really, really fun. They're really fun. It's basically like a sandbox where you just destroy zombies. You're in a mall and you basically pick up all sorts you want to do. Anyway, like I said, this is not connected to anything or whatever, but all I will say is there's a preview video coming out on Wednesday of a game. That's it, all right? Nothing else needs to be said, okay? Good, X, I'm glad we agree. Or did the character look very American-sized? I mean, I think it's meant to be like that. It's meant to be very much American-sized. It's meant to be that sort of goofy. It's not meant to be that realistic. Again, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just a random video. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's fine. Anyway, there may not be a preview video coming out on Wednesday, which is very exciting. About nothing. It's nothing. I don't know what you're talking about, chat. Anyway, chat, I don't know if you realised, I talked about this before, but I applied to be a VTuber, which is fun. Where is my bookmarks? There we go. Not an onion. No. Yeah, onion for the win. Sure, why not? Oh, that's how you open it. Oh, that's how you open it. Anyway, I'm sure you saw it. You may not saw it. Anyway, Iron Mouse, who's a VTuber, obviously. Just a review of nothing. I rate nothing out of 10. I mean, maybe. Anyway, you may saw this. I talked about it a little bit, not really, but sort of a little bit. Anyway, Iron Mouse announced that they were looking for flesh streamers. If you don't know who a flesh streamer is, basically a streamer who's in the flesh, like me and other people who don't do this thing. And they were looking for flesh streamers for a chance to become a VTuber. I applied to this. I thought it'd be very fun. I'm guessing a lot of other people did as well. I know I played the original Zombie Go. I did play that character in Marvel. Yeah, he's around a lot. He's really fun. Just watch a video on my channel on Wednesday. Thank you, Sassy. I'm going to share the video in a second, actually, because I'm really proud of it. I recorded that after Thursday. Was it Thursday I streamed? After Thursday. I did that after Thursday. All the cosplay change and everything. I had this whole idea to do it. It was everything. But yeah, so I've applied. We find out on Tuesday if we're in or not, which isn't that long ago, not long away. So it's quite nerve-wracking. I think they will let people know by about midnight on Tuesday or into Wednesday. So I may be asleep, but I may not be able to sleep, because just in case. Anyway, I'm excited because it'd be fun. What this means is this would not change my... If I got chosen to be part of this, this would not, I would not become a hello, just a guy. I wouldn't become like a VTuber like all the time. If this happens to be where I enter and I win to be a VTuber, it would probably be like a second channel. It would not change anything like this because I like being animated. Can we talk about this for a second?
Just a Guy 40 just resubscribed for 46 months.
40.
What is this? What a number.
TTS, you are very angry about that, apparently. Apparently, TTS was not happy about that, Just a Guy. Very shocked. 46 months. Hi, Journey. Welcome in. 46 months. That's a long time, Just a Guy. Goodness me. Thank you so much. Give us some fucking hype in chat. 46 months? I am terrified by time. Terrified it. Blimmin' heck. Where's my sub? Yeah, where's my sub? Yeah, literally, TTS was like, But Just a Guy, welcome in. Hope you're doing well. But yeah, so I applied for this. I'm very excited. Again, it wouldn't change my content. Like if I got lucky enough to win it and get like a VTuber thing, because they're very expensive, I love like a second channel or do it like you know when I do ASMR like evenings, maybe a bit like that, so a bit different content and stuff. But anyway, I applied and I did a video. I actually did a video, chat, which I'm going to share with you. I've already shared it with the VIPs already. They've already seen it. And also shared it with the mods. Yes, I did. I was like, wait, did I? Yes. And also shared it with some friends. They all liked it very much. But I'm going to actually share the video with you, chat. It's not very long. It's, well, you can judge it for yourself. Why is the quality? Okay, I don't know why VLC does the quality that bad. Anyway, it's fine. I'll thank you for that. By the way, Warwick, I'm going to stop saying this. Just assume every streamer will want to steal all your shirts. I met the voice actor of Optimus Prime at a con. Really? This is actually Gundam, but like from the top, it does look a bit like Transformers. That's very cool. No, it's fine. You can watch it now. Anyway, this is me. Let me make the sound up. Please don't be too loud. Oh, hi there. My name is Warwick, and I am applying to Iron Mouse's VTuber Academy. Bit about myself. So I go by Warwick. I even wear my merch. Sometimes I forget my name, so it's always good to have a reminder. And I'm a Twitch partner based in the UK, England. And we do a lot of variety here, a lot of just chatting. I do a lot of chatting up to like 2 hours before I do anything else. Do a lot of really fun things like this. Mine probably point out a little bit wider. Are you loving this, Charles? Now, okay, quick thing, because I realized quick thing. There's a clip here, right? There's a clip here, okay? It's during the ASMR stream, okay? There's a word, this makes it sound worse than it is. There's a word that's in the story that I read out, and then I said it again, all right? While you will see me and hear me say it, please do not repeat it in chat. I do not want to be called this word. All right? Please. All right? Please. All right? Feels calm. Yeah, very calm. All right? There's a word, and I know you will be, but honestly, we've spoken about this before. I do not like being called it. All right? Yeah, non-mother. Yes, thank you. Yes, non-mother. So while there's a clip that I have got, like, zoom in and say it, it's during the ASMR stream. All right. And I thought it'd be funny to use in the context for the video, but please don't call me that in the chat. Please. Yes. Thank you, Dorina. Anyway, we'll go back to the video. I do a lot of chatting up to like 2 hours before I do anything else. Leech, absolutely. I would love Leech. Absolutely. Like this. Mine probably point out a little bit wider. Are you loving this, Charles? Now the hardest part. Getting up. I'm not doing that. Hello. Also, yeah, I know it says daddy in it. Daddy. Rawr. Rawr. Living my cat fantasy and I'm loving it. Meow. I mean, like I said, I'm basically a VTuber. I dress up all the time. Right? I've got blue hair, I'm very animated and stuff. I get things thrown at me. And also we like to get up with some lovely little chaos, like dressing up. So like this, Or even like Hatsune Miku. This was actually made by my community. Or maybe, what about this one? Or even like this. Anyway, we'll go back to me. And back to this, but thank you so much for the opportunity. I generally really appreciate it. I've admired VTubers for a long while, and I think it's something that I really want to try out and get involved in. VTubers are some of the most hardest working people that I know. I've got many friends who do it, and they inspire me every day. And to learn even a little bit about what goes on from behind the scenes would be an absolute honor. And even just you watching this really means a lot. So again, thank you so much for the opportunity. I'll speak soon. Bye-bye. Oh, hi there. My name is Warwick, and I am applying to Iron Mouse's VTuber Academy. That's a face, isn't it? That's a... You know, let's just leave it on that face. Let's just leave it on that face, shall we? Let's just leave it on that face. Let's just... Yeah, I know VS is on repeat. I know, I'm trying to tell it to... Oh, fun fact in French, liege means cork, or like corkwood. You know what? I'll take that. Anyway, that's my video. I liked my cosplays. I was very happy about how the cosplays came out. And what was interesting, some of the clips were ones that I forgot that we had, which was quite fun. So that was quite nice option there. But yeah, obviously I say the word daddy. Please don't. Please don't use it. I don't like it. I really don't like it. So just respect my wishes. And I think all you have, so thank you. New emote, I'm going to say no. Maybe. We'll take a screenshot. We'll think about it. I haven't got enough space for emotes, unfortunately. Right, screenshot's taken. Anyway, but yeah, that was my audition video. And fuck's sake, Warwick, can we not? Thank you. Look at us. I know, right? I know. I'm very proud of you all. Very proud of you all. Why is that so loud? Oh yeah, but it's the same. Why? Sorry, that's so loud. Well, Papa, no. No. Please, let's just drop it. I know. Know the video. He's like, no. Thank you. Exactly. Yeah, don't like it. But yeah, that's my video that I submitted, and I did that Thursday night. So I've technically done 3 videos this week. What? Honestly, I think people relate. Lack of sleep. You get hyperfixated on something, and suddenly you find out, I can get something done like in 2 days. How the fuck did I do that? No idea. But anyway, that's my video. So we find out on Tuesday. Yeah, we find out on Tuesday, and I think Tuesday. No, I don't want to. No, can I? I don't want to submit. I don't want to submit again. Warwick's. I swear to God, you don't help yourself, do you? You really don't help yourself. No, I want. Can I? Oh, I need to change my Google, don't I? Change Google. How do I change Google? Google. Change Google. Damn it! I want to sign out one. Fucking okay. Sign out. Okay, different account. That one. There we go. That'll do. Right, now let's open it up. Never mind. Doesn't like me. Okay, cool. When does it end? When does it end? When does it end? Chat, when does it end? Apparently it says on the form, but I can't open the form because I've already connected to it. Hey, here we go. Love that. All right, cool. No, I don't want to sign in. Sign-ins. Right, don't. Let me deal with stuff, all right? Let me deal with stuff. Thank you. All right. 14th, 12 p.m. PT is the deadline. And they'll reach out by 4 p.m. on Tuesday. 4 p.m. PT, which is 4 p.m. PT is midnight. So we'll find out if we are in by midnight Wednesday. Or midnight Tuesday night into Wednesday. Yeah. That's it, Roo. So yeah, I like the video. If not, then so be it. I think it was a pretty good chance, hopefully. Yeah, that's it really. I was proud. If nothing else, I was proud how the video came out. And I like how when I think of something, it just comes together. Oh, but no, I'm always logged into my Warwick account. I'm always logged into my Warwick account. And like if I open Amazon's a separate browser anyway. So Amazon's always on signed out anyway. Excuse me. The one thing I will say though, chat, if you have Twitter, even though it doesn't matter, it might not matter now, if you are able to, because I know some of you already did, and I really appreciate it, is just tag me in the comments if you can. So like you got a few people here already who've done it. So you got like Nimki there, you got other people there, you got Rainy, you got other people and Pingu and stuff. So if you have Twitter, if you're able just to like reply to it, I don't know what this is about anymore, and go, hey, Warwick should do this, or we're really good at this, because unfortunately, you might be the most qualified person. It's always about popularity. It's all about popularity, unfortunately, you know. So if seeing my name a few times helps, I go, oh yeah, that Warwick, they were tagged a few times in the comments. Maybe we'll give them a go or something. It would help, you know. So if you're able to, if you don't want to, that's fine. I'm just offering a free way to support me, and that will be a great way to support me. It doesn't matter if you have any followers or not. You can literally just make an account and just go, hey, I think Warwick should do this, because then if they see, oh, Warwick's been tagged a few times, oh, maybe they'll be pretty good for it, you know. Fun fact, I tried to delete my Twitter twice now. It won't let me. Yeah, it sounds about right. I mean, that's why I'm back at it, you know. So but yeah, that's, if you want to support me in that, I appreciate it. Anyway, I think that's it. Oh, there's a lot of stuff going on. The thing is, right, the comment, they don't look at how many followers you got. They will just see the comments. So it doesn't matter if you have 1 million or 2. They will just see someone tagged, and so they go, oh, Warwick's been tagged about 4 or 5 times in the chat. That's pretty cool. Maybe they'll be pretty good. You know, maybe we'll consider them stuff, you know? Because again, like, I try to install this to people. Your followers doesn't make or dictate who you are. Like liking something, resharing something, it helps the person you're sharing. So when you see like art you like, you share it. You know, you like it, you retweet it, or whatever, however you do in socials. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. The fact is that person who gets that retweet goes, oh, I got a retweet. That's so awesome. So like my stuff, even like my going live tweets, getting a like or a tweet doesn't matter. I don't go, oh, you only got 2 followers. Doesn't matter. The fact is that you're sharing it helps it, propels it, you know? So it makes sense. I don't know. I'm not making sense. Anyway. God, it's warm. God, it's warm. Goodness me. All right, I'm going for a break. But yeah, chat, what you can, again, during break, go like it, go tag me. I would, it helps out. It really does. It really does. Thank you for the kind words in the video, by the way. I'm pretty adorable, aren't I? And yeah, like, this is something that I want to do. And again, like, people always say, oh, I wish I could support you in different ways. It's like, this is where you can support me. You know? Like, people always want what 3 ways to support someone. This is a great way to support someone, a content creator. You know? And literally, all it is like, if you don't make a Twitter account. If you haven't got one, don't make one. It's not worth it. But if you have one and you're active on it, you might as well go, you know what, fuck it, I'll just tag Warwick and go, hey, Warwick, I think they'd be really good at this. That's it. As a comment. That's it. That's what you need. Anyway, we're going for a break. With words, I think everyone's melting in it at the moment. I definitely am. God, I'm so warm at the moment. Jesus Louise. Words, there we go. Words, there we go. Link. Pin, there we go. And hopefully I should have linked the chat. Yeah, cool. Right. Right, let's just double check everything. We're looking good. Cool. Right, we're gonna play some words, chat. If you want to play some words, please feel free. If not, that's cool too. If you, again, I'm gonna say it for the last time because I don't know how many times I can say it. Thank you. See, that's literally it. Thank you. And even if I'm sound like I'm asking people to do it, like that can help. Like never. There are so many ways you can support a friend or a content creator or whoever in free ways. Liking their stuff, sharing their stuff, sending them good support, and go, hey, Warwick, you got this, or your friend and stuff. You know, those things can really matter. Yeah, the money helps, of course. Money makes the world go around. But never underestimate the power that you can have just by liking or sharing something. You know, watching a video and stuff. It can really help. Anyway, chat's gone dead. The heat's got to them. Got to me as well. So we're going to play some words. You want to play some words? Please feel free. Glitch, didn't Elon make a stupid rule change that all new accounts aren't able to do anything for the first few months of the account unless they pay? Yeah, I think so. So even if you made a new account, it wouldn't work. It was something stupid like that, which makes no sense for trying to keep advertisers. Oh yeah, the advertisers that they're suing at the moment. Hello, Kezi. Welcome in. Good to see you. Anyway, it's words time. So please play words or go for a break. Look after yourself. It's very warm out there. Just noticed I had a different screen name on Twitter, so change that one. Oh, did you? Yeah, it's very different. I don't mind. It's all good. Anyway, I love you all. Appreciate you all very much. Thanks for supporting me in all I do. If you are leaving us while on the break, you've been lurking. A lot of people are lurking today because it's very warm at the moment, so I don't blame you. We are streaming Monday, tomorrow, Marbles. So if you are leaving us, we are back tomorrow. And there's quite a fun things happening. Hey, Midoriel!
Midoriel just
26 months.
resubscribed
26
for
years.
26 months. 26 years.
Yeah, close enough. Thank you, Midoriel, for the 26 years. Glitch, I'll be back for the chaos, but Werbs requires more brainness than I feel at the moment. I think you're not the only one, Glitch. I think you're not the only one. Midoriel, thank you very much for the 26 second months. Thank you very much for the 2 years and 2 months. For you, 2 years and 2 months today. I love that. Anyway, love you all. Have fun with words, and we'll see you in a little bit. How is that level 1? How is that level 1? Oh, rain. Okay, I got one. Never bye.
The Batgan just raided with their community. Let's go.
Oh, hi everyone. Welcome in. Hello. Hello, everyone who popped into the break. Hello, we are back. Back win again. Thank you for the raid. We appreciate it. Normally, I don't know why I don't play on the break, but we'll check that out. Anyway, hi everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. We're level 16. Fox with 122. M second with 113. And Panda with 102. And once we do this, GTA Chaos mod until I can survive through this heat. It's getting warmer by the second, chat. I don't know what any of these letters are. I give up. Good luck, everybody. Also, it's 5 letters now. It's 22. It's 26 here. 26. This is Warwick's back from break. Screw you all. This is what it is. But like, welcome in. Thanks for a 5-string streak. Miss Lisa, welcome in. Also, other names are back when obviously with the raid. Welcome in. Anyone else I may miss, hi. Did I see some other names? I think I did. Miss Lisa, hi. Drag, welcome in. Hello, hello, hello. How else we say? Majora, welcome back. I saw other names as well. Panda, Macaroon, good job. Saw other names as well. Did I see other names during break? Hi, Natalie, welcome in as well. Welcome. I'm sure I saw your names on. There we go. Yes, this is Words Hates Us, and I'm back from break because Words apparently wants GTA. Raccoon, great word. And macro, good word. Oh, actually, we need one more word, chat. We need one more word. How do I miss raccoon? It's fine, Panda. You see it too often. Hey, F was fake, funny enough, and R was added. Who would have funked it? Who would have funked it? Well done, chat. Well done. God, it's so warm. It's so warm. I hope everyone else is doing all right there. But yeah, we'll do GTA for a little bit and then until I survive, basically, which is going to be a while, I think. Good work, chat. Level 16 beaten. Level 18 now. Hello, Jelly Mace. Welcome in. Welcome in. Welcome in. Hello, Jen. And everyone else, hope you're doing well. It's very warm out there. Please be hydrating out there. M's top, taking first place, 135. Fox, second with 122. Joint with Panda. Joint second. Joint second, level 18. Not bad. Not bad, chat. Not bad. Let's go down here. Had to put on pants and a jacket. Oh, shit, did you? Nice. So as I'm in the top 5, it usually sucks so bad. Miss Lisa, you're doing great. You're doing great. I mean, I'm in the top 7. Don't know how I did that. No idea. Hey, candy. Great word. Great word. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it, chat. I'm going to try it. Simps. Damn it. Oh, of course, with an S. What an M. What an. Great words. Great words. Funny enough, but no. It should have been a word. Man. Oh, damn it, Em. You stole my guess. I was going to put Mannix. Damn it. All right, so I'm going to say P is fake. I'm going to say P is fake. Pints? I say P is fake, and then what the next word I put in? Pines. Fuck's sake, Warwick. Acids? Acid? Dismay. You know what? I did feel dismay, Panda. I did feel dismay. I did feel dismay. Maids. Excellent work. Candies? Did we try this one earlier? Candies. Damn it. Fuck you, game. Candies. Damn it. Right. A was added. P is fake, obviously. No idea. Let's go! Daisy and Sans. Good work. Good work. Good work, chat. We are level 19, I think. We scraped by, but you know what? That's good enough for me. Ems is top 190. Panda second and Fox in third. Light color is fifth with 57. Closest one to 69. Level 19. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Oh, it's now hidden now. It's now hidden. Great. Shit. Right. Okay, I'm not helping apparently. I'm not helping in any way. Mr. T out. Great. Grant. Hey, Grant. Let's go. And Gamer. Good work. Let's go. Chat, we're doing this. Harmer. Nope. Them. It's them, chat. What's a 5-letter word for mega? Megary. Or me gay? Me gay, one word. No. Okay, I'm out. No, that's what happens, Miss Lisa. It happens. You get to this one and go, wait, I got to think about it now? Yeah. God, it's so... Yeah, mega gay, me gay. Oh wow, my wife is struggling. You're buffing at 160. Oh shit, Drag. I hope you're doing alright, I know. Hey, got anyone home? Nice, nice. Rager? Right, H was added. N was added. Sorry, H was fake. N was added. Does N help in any way? Ranger does help. Manor. Manor. There's no O, Warwick. Garment. Good word. Good enough. Good enough, I think. Good enough. Not bad. Not at level 19. It's alright. It's alright. Not bad. Not bad. Good work, I suppose. Oh, why am I pressing buttons? There we go. There we go. Good work, everybody. Good work. However, our top with 220. Not yet, Panic. Give me a second. Top was Ezra 220. Second was Panda with 143. Fox third with 128. Madorial fourth with 107. Fifth was Miss Liz with 58. Light Color sixth with 57. Drag seventh with 23. Warwick eighth with 22. We had Jellymus with 15 in ninth. Just got 10th with 8. And Backward with 6. You should all be very proud of yourself. Face. And Slurf. There we go. Face. Anyway, good work, everybody. I'm all proud of you all. We're now going to be doing GTA Chaos Mod. And yes, thank you, Honks. So we're now going to do GTA Chaos Mod. If you don't know what GTA Chaos Mod is, you're in for a fucking treat. You're really in for a treat. So GTA Chaos Mod is a mod that causes chaos in the game. That's basically it. It's free to
play. Thank you for the little Warwick. But yeah, GTA Chaos Mod is a free mod that chat can control the chaos in the game. And it's about, that's out of date. It's just from the 20, I think there's like 600 things
that can happen in the game. It's very fun, and you get to vote in chat. So there'll be like a thing here saying 1 to 4, and you pick which one you would like to see, and whichever one gets the most votes will happen every 30 seconds. It's complex. It very much is. It really is. But you know what? I don't have to think about it too much. I just get to try to play the game, or try my best anyway. I will say, if you are used to Chaos Mod or played it on our stream, I have got past that mission because I've had enough of hearing that goddamn line over and over again. Everything else is fine. It's just that line. It's just that line. You have, Chan. You have perfect timing. Perfect timing. It's that goddamn horrible line that Trevor keeps saying. Unfortunately, we are still stuck with Trevor, so I don't know what else he will say. Unfortunately, but hopefully I mean, we have to get to the mission first, as I've been very much made aware by chat already. Thank you very much. I think I was saying, oh yeah, I can't wait to play a new mission. And someone was like, if you get to the mission, I was like, thank you for that. I'm sure whatever he has to say now will haunt us in our dreams. I hope so. If not, make good content. Also, try to clip stuff in chat as well, chat, but it helps you out. Right. Refresh. That blessed line, I know, right? If you get to the mission. Right, so we're on GTA. I'm also going to go live on YouTube when we get started. I need to open some things up. So if things start breaking, it's not my fault. Right, chat, good. So that's open. That's a good start. Hey, Drag, welcome back. Proper, right. Okay, that's working. Voting is on. Okay. So don't fault me. Don't tag me and fault me, Fanged. Panda. Anyone I'm blaming at the moment. I'm blaming everyone now. You know what? You're the collective. I'm just blaming you all equally. Right. Now we go to the game and load the game up. That's how it works, right? Is that how it works? I think that's how it works, right? Load game. Play. It's always the damn game's fault. We know what it does. Or, we don't, which is... I know what it does. It just doesn't want to do what I want it to do. Right, game is currently loading. Which is a good start, I guess. Let's go over here. Fault boy, I mean a fault boy. I like that. Right, game is loaded. We've dropped some frames, but that's not too bad. Not as bad as it used to be. Actually, it's a lot better, actually. But the game is on screen, which is good. No sound at the moment, which isn't ideal, but hopefully there's a sound in a second. I think there's now sound. Yes, there is now sound. Oh, chat, it might be working. Shit, it might actually be working. It might actually be working first time, which is, wow. And if I go to story mode, it is terrible if you work in a portrait store. This is. Right. It's now entering story mode. So hopefully we'll do a test for the first one. So we'll get everyone to vote on the same one just to do a test. Granted, technically it still could choose it 1 out of 4 times, but we'll do a test on the first one. See if it's working or not. Right, chat, voting is enabled. Killer Clowns, number 1. Do number 1, chat. Do number 1. Also, I've got a haircut. I'm not sure what I'm wearing today. That's it. Everyone do 1. Let me get my car first. Let me get my car first. Okay, here we go. Shit. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's working. Okay, it's now working. That's great. Okay, cool. All right. I need to go to a mission. So where's the next mission? Do I have a mission? Do I even have a mission? What is the next mission? Is it that one? I thought we did that one. Oh god, have we not done this one? Did we? Oh, we bypassed. Shit, did we bypass this one? Oh, I think we did. Oh, bollocks. Ah, fine. Can we stop shooting my... Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, this is just me. This is just me now. Realising unfortunate decisions. Very much so. You've just given everyone a random prop, including the birds. You've given everyone a random prop, including... Not all the birds, only some of the birds. Sure. Alright, yeah. Cool. Well, that was a short game. Wow, okay, cool. Wow, what do you think about that, chat? Wow. I cried, I felt things. Why is my car broken? Why is my car broken? I'm going to try to control the game while still in the credits. Oh, no, now I can't see a thing. Hi! Oh! Okay. Hi, Audrey. Why is the adder upside down? Okay, cool. I'm going to go inside.
You sure as shit are one.
Oh, I forgot. We hadn't done this mission. What are you yelling about, Trevor? Oh, there's now cougars. What was that yelling about? What was that yelling about? That wasn't chaos. I was just yelling. Why's my car broken? Why is it exploding on me? So, Paddy, we didn't do this mission. Oh, there's so many things going on. Okay. Oh, thank you for that.
Assholes! Let's small patch to call my own on this godforsaken earth!
Trevor's not having a good day. That's quite funny. Also, you can clip in chat, by the way. Thank you, like Fox did, yeah. I may not be able to use that on YouTube, though. Yeah, I didn't want a new car, though. What is this one? What is this one? What is this one? This is new. What is this? What is this? What is this one? Cocktail shaker. Oh my god. I am a bit busy right now. Is that... Oh, it's the whales! The whales are here! The whales are here, chat. The whales are here. And that was just me. That was just me. Can we... Have I not done... Where am I going? Did I not do this? Oh, hi, whales. Hello. Oh, no. We are good. We actually... Oh, complete... Thank you for moving your fin. Appreciate that. Oh! Excuse me. Hi, silly Sandy. Welcome in. Can we... Okay, we're good. No! Oh, there's a tank! Oh, hello, tanks. Oh, there's tanks. Are they help me or hinder me? The whales are now stopping it in midair. I'm not sure what's going...
Well, I'll be fucked.
Oh, Trevor, I swear, why are you so sweary today? You are very sweary today, Trevor.
That is beyond annoying.
That is... Ow! Well, that's unfortunate. Are we good? It's like chaos, I love it. Yeah, it very much is. Get the voting. What am I... Chat, what are you doing? I want to get to my mission. Chat! Can we not? Oh, even animals scream.
Nicky Rabbit wants you to play with one hand for 15 seconds.
I'm so far from the mission. I am feeling so many things today. That was a great epic. That was epic timing there. That was amazing. Now I'm tiny cup. Now it's a tiny car. You know what? I need a different car. I need a different car. I actually do need a different car. What the hell was that? What is going on? Oh, the driver went up, but that's good. What? What? What is going on? What? What is... Oh, the game is not having a good time. The game is not having a good time. The game is not having a good... Oh my god. Oh, there's no... I can't use any of these cars. Oh, okay, we're going to run. All right. Trevor's very angry, apparently. Oh! This is helpful. Thanks, chap. Oh, no, actually, no, somehow this is making it... Where, Trevor, where you going? Trevor, where you going? Where you going?
You asshole!
Why are you screaming? What is going on? Why is... Let me just go forward.
You're awful! Every last one of you!
Who are you talking... chat, I think you've been talking... Oh. Okay, that actually works. I think Trevor was talking to you, chat. I think Trevor was talking to you, chat. Somehow I can see where I'm going. This is a cool vehicle. Oop. Is it Wells again? Are you kidding me? Is it Wells again? Wait, where am I going? Can I go down? Nope. Can I go down? Yes, I can. Reverse? Yep, this makes sense. Oh! Hang on, hang on, hang on. 3-point turn. There we go. Console. Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's here as well. Is it all of Europe? Gallons, all of Europe, not just Germany. It's here as well. It's currently 26 Celsius here. Right, this is the console experience, chat. Get to the vantage point in the hill. Oh, this is fun. This is great. I love this. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, oh, not 2 times speed. Oh, good. Okay. Let's see what chaos happens during the cutscene. Oh, I tried to do this, yeah. Yeah, Trevor won't leave that prop now. It's his forever. So now there's 2 of me. Okay. There's 2 of me. That's great. Thank you for that. I
just spoke to that maniac Trevor. He's coming.
Warwick, drinking.
Get down to the meth lab to
drinking,
protect
Warwick,
it. I hope he don't get through these idiots, but
everyone else should, but you don't have to if you don't want to.
Let's go see them Chinese.
Have you broken my car, chat? Have you just broken my car? Have you just...
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
Cool. How are you not dying? What? No.
You're all dead!
Why is no one dying? Oh, okay. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Love that. Oh, 1-hit KO. Thank you, chat. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love... Wow.
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks?
1 hit.
I don't know.
There we... Wait! That's my clone. Okay, you know what? Okay, oh, is that Jimmy? So there's... Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Jimmy? Jimmy? Let's have a guess. What's going to happen next?
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks?
Oh, hey,
I don't know
doggo.
how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
Right, so where's Jimmy? Wait. Okay, my clone went, and so did Jimmy. Okay, well, that's actually quite good. All right, cool. All right.
I'm gonna kill you!
No, not Ghost Town. Chat. You are not chat. Somehow you're not helping me.
Fuck me, it's Phillips.
Oh my god, why is that? Why is everyone so sweary? Why is everyone so sweary? I can't make any clip. Is that Jimmy again? Alright, this is gonna be fun.
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
Fake, fake, be fake, be fake, be fake, be fake.
But I'll kill the lot of you, and
Why is no one dying?
We gotta find that crazy motherfucker.
I'm top of the hill.
Nicky Rabbit says, you can't use any weapons or run for 10 seconds.
So all I can do is walk slowly away. Oh, now I can shoot.
overtime.
Stop disappearing! Oh my god, he turned into props. Chat, what are you doing to me? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So, are they all going to now be just props now?
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred
Well,
freaks?
Chopper's become
I don't know
a...
how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
So the dog is now a canister, like a hidden canister. It's now raining. I don't know who these people are. What's going on?
Where the hell is he? Take cover.
What is going on? What is going on? You know, I'm gonna grab my car. Oh, got two cars. You spawned a car.
You asshole!
What the hell's going on? Trevor, you're very loud. I died in my bulletproof car. Well, all right. This is going well, chat. This is going really well, isn't it?
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks?
Oh, we're good again. We're good. Resurrection. No.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it.
Not
but
Resurrection
I'll kill the lot of
Day.
you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
Oh. That's annoying. Okay, apparent. Okay. That's annoying. Trevor, get in the car, get in the car.
Kill you!
Trevor, get in the car, 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 get in. It might be, oh, never, no. Get in the car. Trevor, get in the car. Trevor, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car, get in the car. Okay, if we're safe in here, I think. Oh, there's a black hole. Okay, my car is terrible.
Fucking O'Neill!
What is going on?
It's over!
No! Oh yeah, that's right. I abandoned the farm. That's what happened. I abandoned the farm. Nothing to do with a black hole. No, of course not. This is a mission.
How many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
We will be done soon. It's gonna be done soon. It's gonna be done soon. It's gonna be done soon. And you say,
the hell? What?
What the hell? What the hell is this game trying to do? What game? Are you good? All right, what have I got on me? Shotgun. So let's go. Why is the game trying to record saving for? The game's being weird.
Here I come!
Oh, I just fell over.
Here I come, you prick!
Why is the game trying to... Oh my god. What is this? What's going on in my game? What the hell is going on in my game? My game is broken. This is ridiculous. I didn't let work do stuff in your PC again. How do you mean?
Inbred freaks.
How do you... Oh, it might have done.
I'm gonna do it.
No, it shouldn't have done.
Kill the lot of you.
It shouldn't have done.
Torch your cookhouse.
Why is it wanting to record? You know, I can't pause either. Okay, I need a... Yeah, no, my controller's been messed up. Okay, let me reset. Let me reset the mission. Replay? No. Load game. Autosave. When was that? That was July. No, don't save that. You shouldn't have done. You shouldn't have made mess up my controller. Hang on. Let me turn off the controller. Oh, I've turned around. Okay. Hi, Trevor. How are you? The monkeys are still there, by the way. Oh, I'm not being stung by bees. Thank you for that, chat. Thank you. It shouldn't have messed up. What is going on in my game? What is going on in my game? What is going on in my game? But why do you think Little Warwick would have affected my game chat? Has it done that before? I do not remember that doing that before. Let me reload mission. No, I can't reload mission. I can't reload a mission while I'm on a mission. Well, that's annoying. Okay. Let's get through this, it's fine. Hello. Come on, Trevor. Don't die on me. Oh, now I'm toast. Now I'm literally toast.
is here to kill ya.
No, we're all toast and bread. Love that. Love that for us. Love that for us.
Where is everyone? Fuck!
I'm coming for you. You want to
What
see
is
competition in the marketplace?
Find him or he'll kill us.
Okay. Well, no, if it meant no, a menu bar is fine. I didn't go live on YouTube. You know, I need to reset the game. The game's fucked. No, I don't know. I don't know why the voice thing would affect the game. The only thing the voice thing has done is opened up settings. Yeah, I had to reset the whole fucking thing. Oh, well, that was fun. Cool. That was a whole waste of fucking moment. Fuck off. Right. Oh, right. 7th of August. No, that's the other day. I can't reset. Oh, fine. Just fucking exit. Yeah. Cool. That was fun. Awesome. No, the only thing that... No, even then, the voice thing only opens up if I'm on the browser. I don't know. Just where things just fucking work. Anyway, shall we try that again? Also, let me actually go live on YouTube this time as well. So I forgot to do that. No, I'm not going to bed. I'm still going to try. I'm not going to end in. I'm still going to try. I'm just going to reset the game. All that with nothing. Well, we've got some clips. I'm not fucking going to bed yet. I might regret going to bed. Well, not going to bed now, but you know. We got a lot of clips, yeah. If it doesn't fix it, then I will be going to bed. Anyway, I'm going to love on YouTubes. Hi, YouTubes. We are live on you. Isn't that fun? If you want to check out YouTube's there. It helps with ad revenue. Because ads on Twitch are terrible. Anyway, we are playing GTA Chaos Mod. I haven't played it yet. Don't know what you're talking about. I haven't played it yet. I do not know what you're talking about. I've only just started playing it. Herbie! Ah, no, it's a glitch. Anyway, let's try that game again. Is the Chaos Mod still open? Yeah, so. Let me save it. There we go. All right. And let's reload the game. Let's see if it works or not, shall we? Oh, oh, my controller's now connected to OBS. Okay, that's interesting. Don't click that. Don't click whatever that grumpy put in. Trick to heal. You can get half health back by taking cover. Yeah, but I don't want to. I just want to get through the fucking mission. That's all I want to do is to get through to mission. I think my PC's fucked. Hi, Fuxing YouTube. Hi. And now I can't pause the music. I can't pause music in the... I just do it that way. Let's just do it that way. What is going on with my fucking game? What is going on? Yes, keep it. What are you doing, game? Have you got the money for that light? Anyone got any money for a spare PC? I would love a streaming PC. All right, are we good? I can pause again. Okay, cool. Right. Well, that was for nothing. Right, let's try this again, shall we? Voting should be back enabled again. I'm just going to go. Right. No, trap. It's working. It's fucking working. Can you start emailing me? I don't get emails when I'm playing the game. Hi there, police officer. Don't mind me. Oh, okay. I was scared you lot were going to do something to me. Okay, got nice little rainbow colours. Love that. All right, let's go back in here, shall we? All right. Skip. Skip.
White.
Yeah. Why do I scream every time I leave there? Trevor, what are we screaming for? Also, I love the colours, by the way, chat. Love it. Love it. Oh, well, okay. You know, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah.
Well, I'll be fucked.
Can we stop swearing, Trevor? I want to make some content on YouTube, please. Thank you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Trevor Phil.
No.
They're dead.
Thank you for that, chat.
Inbred hillbilly twats.
What? What? Oh, these colours are not making things better. I can't drive, man. This is not me. It's the game doing this. Chat. Stop flipping my car. I've got a scratchy leg now. Oh, these heavier cars flipped. All right. Oh, excuse me. Behind me. Hello, Flack Polo. Welcome in. Ooh. No! Thank you. No! Oh my god, not traffic magnet! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Chat, I swear, no. Excuse me, after me, thank you very much, goodbye. Oh, no. I like the pink though, chat. Oh my god, can you not ram me, please? No! No! Get out! Get out!
Oh my god!
Thank God I got out of the car. I did. Just want to give you a hug. I really don't want a hug though, folks. I'm good, thank you.
I just spoke to that maniac Trevor. He's coming. Get down to the meth lab to protect it. I hope he don't get through these idiots, but we know they're idiots. Come on, let's go see them Chinese fellas.
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred freaks? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
That's cool, Trevor, but we got something else to worry about. There's some zombies about. Are they shooting the zombies? Okay, where's the zombies? Thank you for that, chat. Oh, there's the zombies. Hey, chat, we found the zombies.
I'm gonna kill you!
Get him! Man down!
No, don't let him in the house! Holy fuck! Fucking O'Neills!
Jesse at the clinic. We can get her down.
The creepy motherfuckers!
Whee!
I'm coming for you!
Whee! Oh, I still died? Oh, that's a shame. Oh, I thought I'd be fine. Hi, boss. I was welcome back. Have I still got it?
Oh, how many brothers you got, you inbred
Oh,
freaks?
also
I don't
delayed
know
camera.
How I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse.
Well then, this is something. Trevor, you good? Oh, I'm now in. How did I get into the air? How did I get into the air? Trevor, how did you get into the air? You good? Oh, no, we're still going. We're still going. We're still going. We're still... Oh. Still going. Still going. Still going. It's delayed camera and 10 times movement speed. So the camera's trying... Oh, I'm in the air again. You know what I do after playing this game? Yes, I really do. Hi. Are we good now? No, we still got it. We still got it. Okay, we still got it. Whee! It's like, I'm not like the Flash. Oh. Will that help me? The camera's still delayed. Oh, did everyone just... Wait, did everyone just die? You... Chat! Chat! Did you just ignite all the peds? I think you just ignited all the peds. Chat, did you just help me? Did you just help me? There's a lot of fire. There's a lot of fire here. Did you just explode all the peds? Chat, wow, I didn't know you cared that much about me. Wow, thank you. Where am I meant to be going? Is it downstairs? Is that downstairs? Excuse me. After me. Pardon me. Oh, this is downstairs. There we go. Wait, hang on. I think I meant to set this place ablaze. So it's already on fire. Okay. This is going to be interesting.
Gas in a meth lab. Oh, you're gonna burn, you idiots.
Okay, a few things happened there. A few things just happened there. First of all, how dare you, Void, eat my dice. Second of all, because half the place is already on fire, the second the fire touches the gas, it thinks it's exploded. Which means I haven't left the house yet. Which means the game failed me. And they are back.
Well, look at this.
Oh, thank God for that. Thank God for that. Okay. Okay,
Where
cool.
are you gone, fuckers?
Trevor, you are not making content easy for me, are you? Also, my camera's locked. At least the fire's gone.
Come on!
Trevor, you are not my favourite person in this game, I will say that. You are very sweary. Like, I'm fine with it. I swear, like anyone, but you are not making it easy for YouTube. Really not making it easy for YouTube.
Everything you've built, see how it feels?
Not a border squad. Please don't be a border squad. Please, 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 please. I can't shoot it because my camera's locked. Are you kidding me? I couldn't aim down because my camera was locked.
Gas in a meth lab. Oh,
They're still shooting.
Burn, you idiots.
Oh, back to 10 times movement speed. Oh, I love this one. We'll just make it quicker. Let's find out. Wow, that is quick. Wow, that is. Oh, I missed a bit. Hang on, I missed a bit. Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. There we go. Pardon me, Trevor. Let me zoom out a little bit.
Nothing but a smoldering fucking wreck.
Ooh. You're doing great, good. You're gonna. Please don't still be here, please. Look at those little feeties.
I'm gonna burn it to the ground.
Look at those little feeties. Look at those little feeties. No. Okay, okay, okay. Come on, come on, come on.
Burn, you disrespectful pricks!
Where did I go? Where did Trevor go? Oh, there's so much happening. There's so much happening now. Oh, there's... Oh, Trevor's out of the car again. Hold forwards. What a weird tagline. Did I do the mission? Did I do the mission? Did I do the mission? Please say I did the mission. Please say I did the mission. Did I do the mission? Did I do the mission? Oh, the game's thinking. Oh, the game. Okay. Did we do it? Get rid of it. I'm not allowed to go forward. Simon says, or Simone says, I can't go forward. We're good now, we're good now. We're good now, we're good now. I love this map. This is a great map, chat. Thank you so much. And the low rendering is superb. Peds are now writing. Okay, hello, Peds. Oh, okay. Get up, get up, get up. Oh, no. We'll just run. Why is it this one again? Yeah, let's go. I think it says mission passed. Wee! Wee! I am the Flash. Right, let's go to Trevor's house. Let's do another new mission. God, a new mission. Right, let me run to my house. Where's my house? Trevor, where's your house? Where are we flying? Why are we flying? Oh. Oh, we're now swimming. We're now swimming, chap. Rolling around at the speed of sound. Is this fast? I might think it's, I don't know. I would really like my map to go away. Thank you. Now I would really like Mexico to go away. No, I didn't ask for that. Hi, boy. Is this what ADHD was like? Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Hi, Denizen. Welcome in. Oh, someone else is in the sky. Hi, neighbor. Hi, neighbor. Okay. Are we gonna perish in the water? Let's find out. This is a loss. You have to take a full... Oh, we survived. How did we survive that? I love how we were falling so far. You have to take a breath while falling. Lovely weather we're having up here. Isn't it great? Are you... What? What? Drought? Oh. Huh. No worries, Void. Take care. This game really knows what... They did an update to make it seem like they know what... Oh, it's mild money. Thank you. Thank you for the monies. Did the game do an update where it knows what's happening in the game so it knows what effects to play? These are very interesting. I love that I was in the water and the drought came up. Don't be there when the drought ends. That'll be fun. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. Actually, it's a very good point. Oh, Money Rain. I need Monkey Rain. No, it's Money Rain. Sorry. There's someone shooting at me. No, I'm on fire. Okay, can I have the water? No. I was like, can I have the water back? Never mind. I really want a water back now. I really want the water back. Can I have the water back, please, now? Thank you. Can I have the water back? No? Okay. No? All right. Oh, it's still raining, though. Hi, Trevor. How are you? Where is my car? Where's my car? Trevor, where's that car gone? Where's that car? There's a car over there. Let's grab it. No! No!
Warwick,
No!
Taking a drink.
No!
Everyone should, but you don't have to if you don't want to.
I just want a vehicle.
Yeah.
I just want a vehicle, chat. I just want a vehicle. You buggers. Oh, you buggers. I just wanted a vehicle. A working one. Maybe I should have specified a working vehicle. Where? There's no vehicles. Flip all vehicles. What? Broken ones? They're gone. They just went, chat. Thank you for that. Cool. Excellent. Great. Fantastic. Guess we'll run then. All right. So how's everyone doing, chat? Is everyone good? Is everyone well? Everyone having fun? Make it rain cars. I can't control it. Huh. You know what? We can work with this. We can work with this. Thank you, chat. We can work with this. It is a very random vehicle. Bit out there a little bit, but you know, we can work with this. Onto the whee! What's it with these bloody effects today? What is it with these effects today? You just said you want... that is true. I didn't specify what type of vehicle, so that's on me. That is on me. You sound like Deckard, do I? Is that a good or bad thing? Please be home. Please be home. Please be home. Please be home. Come on, 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 come on. Chameleon. Come on. We're almost home. Do you have it? We're almost home. Detonate current vehicle. I don't have a vehicle, so screw you all. Yeah, we can work with this. Oh, I went behind. Oh, no, that wasn't good.
Get back here.
All right.
You're not even hidden. Have you got it?
I've been trying, Trevor. I've been trying.
Come on over here, all right? I ain't gonna hit you.
I've been trying.
I know.
Well, Trevor's a liar. Not a very good person.
I thought you said you wasn't gonna hit me.
I thought you said you were gonna find fucking Michael Townley.
There's 2 Michael Townleys living in LS. One is 83, and the other one is at kindergarten. I asked the teacher to put him on the phone just to be safe, but she threatened to call the cops. I ain't no molester, Trevor.
Shut up before I molest you, all right? Now, is there anything else?
Trevor is such a... Who's on fire?
I did find a Michael DeSanta, about the right age, married with 2 kids.
What's his wife's name?
Amanda?
Oh, there's cougars.
Amanda.
There's cougars.
You're a genius, you moron. Come on, come here. Woo! Don't you ever not tell me things I want to know.
Oh.
Sorry, Trevor.
Come on, you little bastard. Get out here. We're going to Los Santos.
Are we?
Not you, me and Wade.
What about me?
You're CEO of Trevor Phillips Enterprises. Find us some business so that we can make some money. And tidy my shit up. Let's go. Wait, come on. I'm driving. You can jerk me off if I get bored.
Oh my God, Trevor! I swear to God, you're making this so difficult to make any content.
Are we gonna stop for ice cream? So we're headed to Los Santos then?
Soon. I gotta make a stop.
Oh, what's the stop? Ice cream?
And we are back. We are back. We are back to Wade being the problem.
So we're headed to Los Santos then?
Soon. I gotta make a stop.
Oh, what's the stop? Ice cream?
Are you getting in? Is it snowing?
Where
is
are
it?
your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Floyd. He's bunked in with his girlfriend someplace called Vespucci Beach.
Use the force?
What's the stop?
Family's important, Wade. Not as important as the man that's employed you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year.
What's
No ice cream?
What's use the force? What's the force mean? I know what that means. All right. Sorry, Wade is not happy about the spotlight. No, Wade isn't.
And fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important. We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
I ain't seen him in a while, Trevor.
So what's interesting, chat? What's interesting is technically you did take me to Los Santos, which is great. Thank you for that. However, I'm not allowed to be here. So we currently have 4 stars. Oh, there's tanks. Okay, well, that went well. All right, cool. Cool. All right, sweet. Okay, cool. Yep, that went. Yep. So
we're headed to Los Santos then?
Oh, this is going to be the same line over and over.
Ice cream?
Come on. Oh, I'm invisible. Oh, thanks, Jack. Thank you.
Where are your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Floyd. He's bunked in with his girlfriend someplace called Vespucci Beach. So,
I miss Michael.
What's the stop?
I miss Michael.
Not as important as
I
the
miss,
man that's
there's a
employed
cat.
you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important.
I miss Michael and Franklin. I miss them too. I miss them.
We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
Trevor's not a nice person.
Wow, Trevor. All the more reason to drop by.
Saw that in the corner of my eye. The lighting's cool.
That might be nice, but where are we stopping on the way? Because, I'm getting kind of wet over here.
For fuck's sakes. Another chapter of the lost have descended on this fine town. Looking to mourn and maybe revenge their dead.
I can't slow down.
Thinking me and you could pay our
Really?
respects.
Okay, I got over 39. Oh God. Can I just get to the mission? I would love to just get to the mission. That'd be great.
Camp's up here. I'll wait till dark before I drop in again.
Oh.
Trip! Well, hurt my man!
The assholes here, they slipped. Ice took a hold of this whole place.
Oh, is that it? That's it. That's all we say. Nothing else. Wow, what a cutscene. Oh, the person now bring us. Wow. Riveting stuff. Riveting stuff. Are we stuck here? Don't say we're stuck here. Oh.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing and making quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. Wait here.
What?
Don't get killed.
I didn't realize the car was called Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. I didn't either. Trevor. Very low gravity, that's not good. Someone's screaming.
Let's take a ride. See what kind of shape they left this place in.
Brothers, I am...
Who's calling me? Who's calling me? No, not that trailer. Is it that trailer? Oh my god, what is going on?
There you go.
Oh. Not bees, not bees, not bees. Oh my god, it's ringing and bees. Okay, we can't fit through that gap. Okay, that's great. Awesome, awesome.
That's the spot. Brothers, I think we got trouble out here. He ain't gonna do us again.
Oh, that's handy. Okay, that's very handy. Thanks, chat. Yay, we did it. I think. Return to Wade. Actually, let's just... Oh, that's... Okay, that's one way to do it, I guess.
Pussies! Every one of you!
Let's go, Wade, let's go!
You're worse than the last bunch of cogs! The lost aren't welcome here!
Oh, hi, Wade, you're still in the car. How nice of you. Hey, Wade.
Now that that's over, let's get out of town. Los freaking Santos.
The car's absolutely broken.
Okay?
Oh, no, we're good, we're good.
Banging and screaming, but then not the nice kind.
Yeah, it went good, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more.
We might have to still think about them. I can't see where I'm going, Java.
Michael Townley guy must have pissed you off real bad for you to want to find him so much.
He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they...
Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon me.
They pissed me off.
But if he's dead, who's this?
Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie quotes? With my dead friend's alias? And my dead friend's family? In a house that must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions?
Oh, excuse me. Pardon me. Sorry. Sorry, that wasn't my bad. My bad. My bad.
You a fucking mindfuck.
Oh my god, Trevor, I'm not going to miss you. Oh, you're getting rid of...
Trevor, lube up your eye hole, fucker, because I'm gonna fuck your tiny mind.
Whoa, Trevor, can you shut up?
Into roadkill.
Please, don't turn me into anything. I just want to be Wade.
Please just let him be Wade. Hi, Hoots, welcome in.
Are we nearly there yet?
I fucking hope so.
Wade.
Are we nearly there?
You keep this up, you're not gonna get...
Trevor!
You're not gonna get there at
Hi,
all.
Goff, as well, welcome
Can you
in.
tell me a story?
No.
No, Wade.
Let's play a game then. You know animal,
This car is
mineral, or
not doing
vegetable?
well.
I'll go first.
No, no.
You're what?
Ooh, damn it. I gave it away. I wasn't supposed to say what I am. I'll start again. Animal, vegetable, or mineral.
Hey, how about this? I'll tell you a story if you promise never to speak again.
I like stories.
Of course you do. This story's about a boy called Trisha.
Is Trisha a boy's name?
It doesn't matter.
Sounds weird.
Yeah, let's just go this way. Let's just do it. Let's
He was
just
the
try it.
smartest, toughest, weirdest kid in Canada. Well,
Oh, explosive
in the
heads and
Canadian
explosive
border
zombies.
region of America.
Chat, what are you doing to me?
This
What are you
boy,
doing to me?
He had all the talent, charisma,
Don't explode,
and
don't explode,
guile
don't
that a boy could have, but he didn't know what to do with it.
He
Where
should
am I?
become a baseball player.
No, he shouldn't. Because he's not a fucking sellout idiot.
Or hockey player.
He did for a while, but his coach accidentally had a stick jammed up his ass.
Spinning pets. This
What
is.
could he do?
Where am I going? Oh, the car's on fire. The car's now on fire. The car's now on fire. That's not ideal. This is not. No, that's not ideal. No, this is not ideal. Let's just keep driving. Wait, get out. Wait, get out. 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 You following me, Wade, or you just out? Oh, you are following. Oh, okay. Excellent. Cool. Let's go. Okay, let's just run up this hill. Vehicles have no gravity. Okay, cool. I don't have a vehicle to worry about. That's good. I do feel like this has all been in vain. Combo time? Oh, that's not fun. Oh, God. Uh-oh. Combo time. Uh-oh. Invert colors, nail guns, and 30 miles per hour speed limit. Okay, cool. Well, I'm not in the car. I have a nail gun, which is fun. And inverted my colors. So this is lovely. Wait, are you still following? Oh, you are still. Oh, what? Oh, Wade. I like Wade. Wade's good. What? Wrong way. Wrong way, work. Let's see what other combos we get, shall we? I hope it's more vehicles. I hope it is a vehicle. God, I want a vehicle. This is break doors of every vehicle. Okay. Mannequins. And neutral weather in inverted colors. Okay, this is great weather. We are. We're taking a very, 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 very long way, Wade. We're taking a very long way, Wade, all right? But we're still alive. I hear ducks in the background. That's cute. Oh, Joe, you got this. Excuse me?
Cocksucker.
You know what? Actually, I deserve that. You know what? I actually deserve that. You know what? I just deserve that. No phone. Unfunny neighbours.
It's a duck. Quack.
Hi, Rose.
I'm a duck.
It's called Unfriendly Neighborhood, which means anyone near me just swears at me. And now I can't run or sprint or jump. Right. No. Oh. Is this the right way? I left way, didn't I? God damn it. God damn it.
Now that that's over, let's get out of town.
It's not over though, Trevor. It's not over.
I heard like a banging and screaming, but then not the nice kind.
Yeah, it went good, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more. Let's go find my old buddy.
This Michael Townley? Ow! This Michael Townley guy must have pissed you off real bad for you to want to find him so much.
He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off.
No, right, no.
They pissed me off.
But if he's dead, who's this?
Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie?
This is fun. I just want to get away from Trevor for a little bit. Just for a little bit.
Time to hit the road, Wadey. Los Santos, here we come.
Okay, that was me.
Okay? I heard like a banging and screaming. Not the nice kind.
Yeah, it went good.
Wade's a trooper. Wade's a trooper, isn't he?
Let's go find my old buddy.
Wade's a trooper. We gotta love Wade.
Real bad for you to want to find him so
He's
much.
a bit of a journey.
Pissed me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off.
But if he's dead, who's this?
Now you're starting to grasp the pertinent questions. Who is this guy using my dead friend's tired-ass movie quotes?
with my dead friend's alias and my dead friend's family? In a house that must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions?
Wow, that's a real mindfuck.
I'll show you a fucking mindfuck.
Oh, Trevor, love it.
I didn't mean anything by that, T. Trevor,
lube up your eye.
La 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 da 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 da. Trevor's a lovely guy. Trevor's a great guy. La 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 la. Trevor, shut up. I'm gonna.
Please, don't turn me, Trevor. Don't turn me into anything. I just want to be Wade.
Never left. Welcome in.
Are we nearly there yet?
God, I hope so.
No, Wade.
Are we nearly there?
Where's my tire?
Keep this up, you're not gonna get there at all.
I'm missing a
Can you tell
tire.
me a story?
Why am I missing a tire?
Wade. Let's play a game then. You know,
Is that me or is that you, chat?
I'll go first. I'm nanotechnology.
What the hell's that in hood mean?
You're what?
Ooh, damn it! I gave it away. I wasn't supposed to say what I am.
What is going on? Don't give me that smile.
Hey, how
Don't give me
about
that smile, Maduro.
I'll tell you
You know what you did.
if you promise never to speak again.
I like stories.
Of course you do. This story's about a boy called
Chat to touch around the wheel. Really? Was that what happened?
Is Trisha a boy's name?
It doesn't matter.
Sounds weird.
No.
He was weird. He was the smartest, toughest, weirdest kid in Canada. Well, in the Canadian border region of America.
Okay.
This boy, he had all the talent, charisma, and guile that a boy could have.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit!
Oh, now you
And
react,
guile
Wade.
that a boy could have.
Now
but he
you
didn't
react.
know what to do with it.
He should become a baseball player.
No, he shouldn't. Because he's not a fucking sellout idiot.
Or hockey player.
He did.
I thought we were...
Right, chat. Can I skip this part of the mission? Can I just skip this part of the mission? Can I just get to Los Santos? I really would like to get Los Santos. It's would really like to get to Los Santos. I should be allowed one skip per stream. That should be the rule. I get allowed one skip per stream. Thank you, chat.
Now that that's over, let's get out of town.
Hey, Trans! I pressed the wrong button. Hey, a lot of 2 years and 2 months today.
Trans_Alia just resubscribed for 26 months. Hello.
Hello, Trans. Oh, I pressed the wrong button, so we didn't skip it. So we're doing it anyway. Great.
That go okay?
I pressed the wrong button.
Banging and screaming.
Enjoy your dinner, boss size. Enjoy your dinner.
Yeah, it went good, Wade. We don't have to think about the loss no more. Let's go find my old buddy.
This Michael Townley guy
Nah, it's no, it's fun.
you off real bad.
I mean, we've done quite well so far.
He didn't piss me off. The guys that killed him, the federal government, they pissed me off.
But if he's dead,
Thank you, though.
who's this?
Now you're starting
Doesn't
to
feel like 26.
grasp
It doesn't
the
feel like
pertinent
26 months.
questions. Who is this guy?
Feels like a
using my
weird,
dead
short
friend's
and long time.
tired-ass movie
As in-
quotes with my dead friend's
haven't paid
alias
attention.
and my dead friend's family in a house that must have been paid for with my dead friend's stashed millions?
Wow, that's a real mindfuck.
I'll show you a fucking mindfuck. I'm gonna stick my boy
Blah, blah, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop, ba doop.
I didn't mean anything by that.
Chat, this isn't helping me.
Trevor,
lube up your eye hole.
Oh my goodness me.
Fuck your tiny mind.
Can you, Trevor, stop talking about things?
please, don't turn me into... Don't turn me into anything. I just want to be
What is going on?
Are we nearly there yet?
We are nowhere. Are you? Chat. This is your doing. This is all you're doing. Alright? I'm not going to say anything. Enjoy this. This is all your fault. You do get Trevor to stop talking, that's a good point. But what is this? Is this better? He's still talking? He's literally still talking. Okay, I can deal with this. GTA Chaos mod is something else, isn't it? It really is something else, isn't it? Oh, no, slow. Oh my God. Reversing turn turtle was quite different. Thank you for the mini map. Chat, thank you for that. I wonder where we're going. Someone just... Who's shooting me? Who just shot me? I wasn't doing anything, was I? GPS driving. I wasn't doing anything, was I? I was just driving. How rude. Oh, and mini cars again. That's lovely. All right, okay.
That's it. That giant sprawl. Los Santos.
Oh, get.
We're almost there, Wade.
This is Los Santos.
I guess it is.
I always wanted to come here.
But you got stuck in the desert?
It's still San Andreas.
Best part of the state.
Chat. Is Wade in the car? What's going on? I'm not really sure what's going on. Is Wade in the car? Wade, please get in the car. Please get in the car, Wade. Wade, we're so close, Wade. We're so close. What if we run? Shall we just run?
You're driving like an idiot.
Shall we run? Shall we run together? Wade, please run with me. Wade. No, I don't want Brad. No, Brad, you're fine. No, Brad. Hi, Brad. Wade. 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 I want to cry. I genuinely want to cry. I'm skipping that mission. We got there. We got close enough. We have got close enough. I'm skipping it. Yes, I am sure. Yes.
So, this is where dead men come back to life.
The airstrike's still happening. Oh, there's a car, by car. Party vehicle.
For another day
oh, but there's a fire engine. Example of our average law-abiding citizen.
I grieved for you.
You weren't even fucking dead. You were my best friend.
He's been interviewed on the news.
Shit on your doorstep, you fuck.
Oh, off we go. Really? Oh, you just broke my camera, Backwin. Actually, you know what, Backwin? Ah, sod it, I'll do it. I'll do it for 10 minutes. We're finishing 15 anyway. Oh. It's really interesting. Like, I give you so much chaos, and people are like, nah, we need more. Anyway, I'm not going to be able to read chat. I'm not even going to attempt to read chat. So if you put a message in, tough. I'm not going to bother to try to read it. So that's, yeah, anyway. All right, cool. Where are we going? No, get out. Wait, get out. Wait, get out. Wait, get out. What just happened? Wait, Trevor. Okay. Well, we survived that. Can we hitchhike? Okay. Wait, let's go this way. Let's go this way, shall we? 30 miles per hour limit. Alright, cool. Please don't die. Please don't die here. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Trevor, wait, come on, wait, come on, wait, wait, this way, wait, come on, wait, this way. Wait, oh, Wade stuck, Wade stuck, Wade stuck. Right, gravity guns. Is there a car here? Right, cool, I guess we run away until Wade abandons us, or abandon Wade, I guess. Do you have a car, though? Do you have a car?
I will not shut up. This script is like, hello.
Okay, hello. Okay.
All we need is like 5 mil or something, and you can like...
There we go. There we go. Just had to go a little bit further away from Wade.
Los Santos.
Hey, we got a car
city
again.
Of shitheads.
We
Where
go?
else would he be?
Oh, not low gravity.
Fuji Beach. Will you tell me the story about that boy, Trisha?
Ah, yeah. Where were we?
Where were we? Oh, yeah, that's right. We were lying on the floor. That's right. That's where we were. We were lying on the floor. Except for Wade, though. Wade. Oh, no. If you're broken Wade again, get in the car. Oh, no. Wade's fine. Wade is fine.
And they lived happily ever after?
Oh, I think.
For a while. Until the troll met another troll in a strip club, and they fell in lust, and he bought her a pair of fake troll tits, even bigger than his real troll tits, so she could make more money stripping.
I really want...
Maybe a little on the side without call work, but you didn't hear that from me. Wow. And then she pushed out a pair of little trolls and the big bad troll under the bridge.
Jesus! What bastard?
Los Santos, the city of shitheads. Where else would he be?
Yeah, Jesus kidnapped Wade.
It's Fuji Beach where he's staying.
Jesus just kidnapped Wade.
About that boy, Trisha?
No. Oh, God, the story.
You were saying what he could do. He couldn't throw, and his coach had a stick accident like I had once.
Right. But he could fly planes, this kid. So he signed up.
Ow.
Trevor?
So he signed up to the Air Force to fly all day long and bomb villages and maybe just
this is great.
Drop the nuke. And it was all going well until one day, just before he got his wings, an evil witch in charge of...
Oh, is it different stories each time? That's interesting.
Told him he was unstable. Grounded him for life.
That's terrible.
It was. Sent him into a deep pit of doubt and despair. And just then, just as he hit rock bottom, he met a
no, same story.
silver-tongued troll under a bridge.
That's cool. What was the troll?
No, Wade, come back. Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. 2 seconds. Sorry, wait. Oh, nice. Nice landing. Nice landing. Taco. Is that Taco Bell?
And they lived happily ever after?
For a while. Until the troll met another troll in a strip club, and they fell in lust,
And he bought her
Oh,
a pair
everyone's
of
got
fake
RPGs. That's
troll
not
tits,
good.
even bigger than his real troll tits, so she could make more money stripping. Maybe a little on the side without call work, but you didn't hear that from me. Wow. And then she pushed out a pair of little trolls, and the big bad troll under the bridge went soft.
Hold on, what?
So little Trevor made a new friend called Brad, and he was thinking about cutting Mike off when it all went to shit, and Mike got killed and Brad went to jail.
Did all the names just change, or am I missing something?
Shut up!
I can't see the map, chat. Oh, straight,
That
okay.
ugly troll came back from the dead.
Oh, we're near Floyd's house. I seen it on iPhone maps. I'll give you directions.
Alright, third right.
Go straight on
1,
here. It's straight here.
2.
It's a right up here. Just keep on a minute. This is the place. I think it is, at least.
Is it? Is this here? Oh. Oh, is it? Is in the alleyway. Thank you for the bees, by the way, chat. Is this it? Oh, is it? Oh, we've got to go inside somewhere. Okay, we've got to leave the car, I think. Oh, we've got a rocket launcher. That's nice. Oh, there it is. There we are. There we are. Alright. Oh.
Come up here, Trevor.
Just missing the big text on the TikTok. Yeah, it really does. I mean, it's already made for me, isn't it? It's already made for me. Where's the oh, the camera's now delayed. Where's the stairs? Oh, stairs are there. Okay.
Floyd, it's me, Wade. Who? Me, Wade, your cousin. Who?
Your cousin!
Oh.
Fuck! He's come to visit you, you rude fuck. Now get up off the floor and fix me a fucking drink.
Oh, you, Wade. I heard you was off smoking meth somewhere.
No, not somewhere. Here. He's gonna smoke meth here. Give me a fucking lighter.
You can't smoke here.
Okay.
This is my girlfriend's place. She's had a business.
There's a lot of bees around. There's a lot of bees around.
Stay here.
How's it going, cousin? It's been a while.
Yeah, I ain't seen you since you was caught in Evelyn's bed.
That was never proved.
You gotta go, both of you. My girlfriend, she'd kill me if she knew I had guests.
Well, it's not much of a girlfriend if you don't like your family. Now, would you get me a fucking drink? I'm not gonna ask you again.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wait, I ain't got no booze.
Well, then you go out and fucking get me something. You go too.
All right, okay.
Fuck.
Hey, we did a mission. Oh, now. Oh. Okay. Oh, fuck you, Trevor. I know I have to go back to Trevor at some point. Oh, I've never been so happy. I've never been so happy to see Michael. I've missed you, Michael. We haven't seen you for months. Stop swearing. Why is everyone swearing so much?
Is that yours?
Why is everyone swearing so much?
Of course not.
I have only got myself to blame for the mess these kids are in. You are either drunk, or you're staring miserably at the clouds, or you're out there doing God only knows what.
Oh, yeah. I done horrible by you. Pulled you out of a Midwestern trailer park. Got you a big mansion in
There's
Rockville.
nothing happening.
The only thing you gotta
There's
worry
nothing
about anymore
happening.
is
What's happening,
what part
Meta?
of your
Nothing's
body you wanna
happening.
have chopped off or
Michael's
sucked out
back.
again.
Screw you, Michael.
Ah, but you won't.
I was faithful to you up until I found you in a stripper. I would divorce your ass if I could.
These are all
You
horrible people.
nothing but a murdering,
I've just realized
cheating
that.
hypocrite. Thank you, Michael, whatever the fuck our fake last name is. You have ruined my serenity yet again. My yoga is fucked.
Oh, is that what they're calling it now? You and your fucking yoga.
Did someone say yoga?
Fabian,
Oh.
darling.
Namaste.
Namaste.
You must.
Oh, okay. There we go. There's something's happening. Okay, cool. Michael just died. All right. Oh, hi, Trevor. Where did Trevor get here? You know what? I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to leave the questions to you, chat. When did Trevor get here? There's oh, hi, Wales. Now I've got random prop. Let's watch the whale rain. Is that... How did Trevor meet up with Michael? Okay. 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 There's chairs in the way, Michael. Okay, 1 bullet mags, and there's no mags coming out. All right, that's... Oh. Okay. Oh, hi. I'm going to replay this mission. I can't replay the mission. You know what? I'm going to leave. Yeah, I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. That's it. I'm gone. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. That was a bit earlier, but I'm very warm. It's very sticky. And my head hurts. So that was a thing. We're now back with Michael. Huzzah! Finally. Well, he's very sweary. YouTube, thank you for watching. If you're watching YouTube, appreciate it very, very much. We'll see you soon. YouTube, bye. That was it. Chat stunned in silence. Not bad. We did quite a few missions today, actually. Did quite a few missions. Not really sure how I feel about that. Well then, that was a thing. Oh, God. Anyway, chat, thanks today. Today was a lot of fun. Today was a lot of fun. Chaotic, even more than Crowd Control. Absolutely. What mission are we on now? I have no idea. All we know is we don't have to be with Trevor anymore. We can now choose Michael or Franklin. Thank God. So, you know, more... Oh, hi, chat. You're there. Ow. I have no idea what mission we're on. We'll find out next game. Wow. Wow. That was fun. That was a lot of fun. I don't know what happened with my controller. I might have to test a little voice. I don't think that should have done anything with it. Does it be really weird, my voice changing and affect the game? But maybe it did. Maybe there's something there. Maybe there's like a shortcut that I've used that I don't know on the game. So I need to look at that. But I will look at that at some point before we do GTA again. We are back tomorrow, chat. We are back tomorrow because it's Monday tomorrow, because it's Sunday today. So you don't get to miss me too much. You can miss me for a little bit. But I'm back tomorrow, same time, same place, playing marbles and some more chaos. And a gift card giveaway if you like it. Which should be a lot of fun. Yeah, there's actually quite a lot of stuff going on tomorrow, this week. Oh, excuse me. I'll update the schedule in a second because I pretty much got it done. So if you get a ping in Discord, it's me pinging the schedule. But there's a review going out tomorrow for Just Crow Things, which the game in Little Pies card. Just Crow Things just there. Very cute. Yeah, just cool things. So that comes out tomorrow at 4 p.m. Then we've got review. Then we've got stream. Tuesday is movie night in Discord. Rainey is hosting Princess Bride on Discord on Tuesday. Wednesday is that game trailer I showed, but I can't say the game. But there might be a preview video coming out, which is very cool. Comes out on Wednesday. The game doesn't come out till next month, so that's pretty cool to get a preview code. Thursday is something. I don't think it's anything because I'm working late Thursday. Also, D&D game starts this week. It's at 2 a.m. my time. But it is starting this week. It starts Tuesday night or Wednesday morning at 2 a.m. my time. So some of you it's 3 a.m. And you might be thinking, Warwick, sleep? I've booked work off for the next day. So thankfully I'll be able to sleep on the day. Friday, we are playing possibly the most British game ever called Thank Goodness You're Here, which if you've seen bits about it, is very funny. It's only a short game, but it looks like a lot of fun. And then Saturday, because I'm working late, will be ASMR stream. ASMR on Saturday. So there's a lot. I will be posting scheduled. The events are already up. So if you want to check out the events in Discord, click interested so you don't miss out on an event. What character am I playing? I'm playing this person. Nothing's been revealed just yet. We're going to unveil who we're actually, like who they are and stuff in the game itself. You have to watch it. There will be VODs. Although we have done a bit of teasers already. So I can play with you one of the teasers. If I remember where the video is. Give me a second. It looks very fun. It looks very funny. This is the character I'm playing. The name is Skylar. And that's all you need to know for the moment. But it's based in Strixhaven, so like there's a school and stuff. Don't suppose you could recommend me a book. That's it. Just a little quote. Just a little quote. That's my character there. There's me. That's him. Yeah. But it's in Strixhaven. There's a lot of our characters and stuff and lots of cool. Actually, you know what? Sod it. Because it's going to show the image tomorrow anyway. I can show you the whole cast, actually. How do I do that? How do I do that? Oh, it's in the Discord. Open up Discord. That's the wrong Discord. Where's the Discord? Have I deleted? No, don't delete. Wait, where have they gone? Ah, there you are. There you are. Welcome. There we go. Technically, it's already been revealed anyway through like teasers, so you can check out all our socials and stuff. But this is all the characters together. And that's Void Doll, who's the DM in the middle. There's me. But yeah, it's going to be fun. But yeah, it's going to be very late. New Human Shrek for Baldur's Gate 3? No. I will not even... No, they will be very... If I made them Baldur's Gate 3, they'll be very hot. I still have to continue that game. I'm still on chapter 1. But yeah, it should be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of secrets. There's a website going to be unveiled as well. There's a lot of stuff coming up. But yeah, it's going to be quite late, but there will be VODs. It will be on Striker Sly's channel. How do I shout out Striker without a T. Striker Sly. There we go. So it's going to be on their channel at 9 p.m. ET, which I think is 2 a.m. my time. It's going to be late for a lot of people. Fortunately, being the one Brit, it means that I'm sort of have to sacrifice my time zone, which I'm fine doing. I'm actually fine doing. But I have, because we're doing it every 2 weeks, so I've made sure to book off the next day off from it so I can sleep and rest and stuff. But yeah, that's happening Tuesday night and stuff. And there'll be more unveiled as we go through and stuff. Sort of done like teasers and stuff. Oh yeah, we're here, aren't we? That's right. There we go. But yeah, anyway, I'll post the schedule properly in a second after stream. yeah, I think that's it. So we're back tomorrow, marbles. Got 2 streams in a row, chat. Aren't you lucky? Aren't you lucky? I lost followers during that stream. That's so funny. That's really funny. That was fun. Oh, thank you, Desmond. Thank you. No, thank you. I had a lot of fun. I'm not annoyed when my game broke. I'm not sure why that happened. Not sure why that happened. But we're good. Anyway, we are going to say hi because I'm slightly low energy, as in no energy because the heat's got to me. Oh, dude, you did. I'm ending a bit earlier, so that's on me slightly. But I'm very warm. I'm very tired. And I've just finished 6 days in a row. Damn, almost 2 years wide. Almost 2 years. But no, I had a lot of fun. I'm annoyed about my game. I'd have to look and see if it was Little Wick changing the game or not. True Chaos is a broken game. It really is. What's funny, outside of me having to reset the game, everything else was absolutely fine. Like, everything handled fine. It was just that one moment. It really is, yeah. And I feel like, because I've just worked like 6-7 days in a row, whatever days it is, I'm like maybe feeling it slightly. I'm like, oh yeah, now I'm feeling it because I've now got tomorrow off. Anyway, I'm going to post the schedule on Discord. Check out Discord. We're not going to go raid out anyone in particular. We're just going to raid out to some sleepy otters. This is when I haven't got spoons to raid anyone in particular. So we're going to say hi to the otters. But it's very warm out there. It's very warm. It's still 23 Celsius at 10 p.m. Love that. Anyway, marine mammal rescue. Loads of otters chilling out by the water. It looks very, very inviting. So say hi to them if you can. Yeah, thank you for today, chat. I really had a lot of fun. Thank you. Sorry, slightly low energy. Heat and finishing work, I think. But I do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for hanging out. Love you all very, very much. Thank you for all the good vibes. Again, if you are on Twitter, if you're able to, please tag me in that Iron Mouse tweet. It's just a lot of these things. It's all publicity. You know, it's all popularity. You know, if it doesn't matter how good you are. Sometimes it's just like if you get seen a lot and stuff. So if whoever's doing the reviews, as it were, goes, oh, this person's got been tagged 10 times, maybe we'll consider them. You know. If you can, and if not, you can just check out my other socials. Check out my YouTube this week. I was able to get some reviews done this week, which by the way, I'm low energy because I put all my energy into that. But I'm excited. They're good reviews. I'm very proud of them. But yeah, chat. Say hello to otters. I'm going to go to bed very shortly. So I love you all. Please take care. And we'll see you tomorrow. In fact, so less than 24 hours. Anyway, have a good night, everyone. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Have a good one, everyone. Much love.